Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so that whenever we release a video at the Jamaica Young Police channel, you'll be the first to receive the same. Remember to share the video with your friend, your mama, papa, girlfriend, boyfriend, and your side chick and side man. Yes, and post a comment below, even just to post and say, I am here to show your appreciation of the work that we are doing here at the Jamaica Young Police channel. And thanks for being a part of the movement. So, moving on. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we hate criminals with a passion. So here's one of them. This guy's name is Pnplgbtq. Yeah, aka Froggy. Have a distinct scar on the left side of his face, and him eye go all the way down to him cheekbone. And you know, more or less is a Jamaican do that, you know, telephone cut. I don't know how them come by that thing for, you know, to scar people face like that, and that it's just awful, but terrible people. So this man that you're looking at, his name is Pnplgbtq, aka Froggy. Yeah, Froggy them call him on the street, and he's wanted in New York, in Queens, New York, for the murder of Javon Jamison, a Jamaican youth them called Blingers. Yes, and Blingers was killed almost 2 years ago by this man and another man named Christopher King. Christopher King is in custody in New York, awaiting trial for the murder of Jamison. So we are appealing, we are begging, beseeching you Jamaican people in Jamaica and the diaspora, wherever you see this man, to inform the police, whether it's 119 or 911, and let them know that this man is wanted in New York for the murder of Javon Jamison, so that this man can be placed in custody or go straight to the departure home where he belongs, and that's justice. And we say that because we hate criminals with a passion, because there was no reason for this man to kill Blingers, because Blingers was not a threat to him at the time. It was murder, clear murder. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video.
Big up Jamaican police. I respect everything you're doing. I watch you every day. Man, and when I tell you, I am so happy for what you are doing. And when you say the truth bites, I could tell it bites. Bless up again. Bless up. I love your program, man. I watch you every single day. Have a blessed day.
Yeah, so we want to thank that elderly listener, you know, listen to the Jamaica Young Police channel and always tuning in and letting everyone know that, you know, she enjoyed the program. So today, yes, you're looking at a man at your upper left, and the man beside him, that is Peter Bunting. So we are letting the, yeah man, Kevin Tillibaugh Roberts is a big known coke dealer in a Clarendon, living in Manchester. This is the same man who had brought a man from Haiti to kill the Prime Minister Andrew Willis. That's the man at the top right there. Yes, he had brought a man from Haiti. We have done a video about it here. The man was in Warwick Hill. So the same M16s that he had, you know, this man had brought from, Guy Philippe had brought from Haiti, came into, that was distributed between Warwick Hill and South Clarendon. That's owned by Rocky Point, where this man have influence, Rocky Point, wait a bit, and all these places. I used to station in Clarendon as a young police officer, so I know about all of these drug dealers. Not friends, I'm not friends with them. They don't know me because, you understand what I'm saying. So you're going to hear a policeman who used to work at a mobile reserve. He lives in the United States of America. And this policeman, he is defending Kevin Tillibaugh Roberts. Those of you who want to hear the full audio, the conversation of this policeman defending this drug dealer, you know, it will be on Patreon in its fullness. But for now, others, you'll get it. We'll give it to you, various parts. It's gonna be in a 10-part series. Yeah, so you watch, you listen, and you decide. So this is the entire video, the entirety of it. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
That's so good.
Yeah, man, give thanks to life, man.
Yes, sir, Porter.
Mm.
And so me that call you one time.
Yeah.
You did I hear with some statement the other day with Tillibaugh.
Yes.
Yeah, man. No, you have made a statement and you say your platform is about truth.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So we are talking about truth now.
Mm-hmm.
I was in that era.
Yes.
From 1999.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So I was in that era from 1999 to 2005.
Mm-hmm.
Known Mr.
Tillibaugh?
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody remember. I wouldn't say we are friends.
Yes.
But my friends and him is friends.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm talking about the accusation of him selling flour.
No, not flour, drugs, coke.
No, I'm not talking about that. I don't. You had made a statement say him sell flour.
Yes.
To Koke.
Yes.
He is involved with the trade.
Mm-hmm.
I've heard you say that, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I call you. I wouldn't call you about nothing else.
Yes.
Because I don't have proof. But we know about the flour.
Yes. Oh, you know about him. Okay, so you know.
I was a part of the flour game.
Oh, okay. So
Yes.
you are saying that you are saying that you are a part of the gang with him that used to sell flour, not coke.
You hear what you said?
Mm-hmm.
Why I'm going to correct you. You just said. I'm saying that I'm a part of his gang that sells flour.
Yes.
He wasn't a part of it.
Okay.
But I'm more understand, Mr. Porter.
Yes, sir.
Our businessman to mix up in a flour. Remember, so the man when I lose the money, we can kill it, just because lick it in your face, Mr. Porter. So Mr. Tillibaugh is a well-known man. He couldn't put himself in Mr. Porter. Just think about it.
Put himself in a what?
Involved in a flour trade.
No, him not do it like that. Him do film things on an international basis, wholesale. You remember all the plane? Remember all the plane that crashed down by what the place is Rocky Point. You remember that plane there? Yes. Then his plane, man. The people them from the plane are fee people them, and the police them will pick up the men them are fee police them from Maypen from DIU. We pick up the men them. So you come from down there, so you don't know that. Yes or no?
But I didn't hear of him. I hear from a man from Rocky Pipe, not him.
Mm-hmm.
I hear about a man from Rocky Pipe because they arrested somebody twice. You remember that?
Yes.
The man that they said that he was them interested in him from Rocky Pipe. So I didn't hear about Mr. Tillibaugh.
No, which man you hear say them arrest from down there?
Between the same incident, one man will control one fish place down there. I won't call his name.
Why?
I don't want nobody sue me for defamation occurring.
No, man, you're not sue. No.
He have a thing for the seaside.
Who you at? Mohammed?
I know Mohammed, I know him. That man where he used to the England thing. A short man. I hear say a short man. Because they arrested him for that purpose.
Yeah, but it was
and the people them demonstrate. You remember? And said, look at the man.
Well,
they went to arrest him a second time again.
Well, and look here, and we know sometimes the people them demonstrate and the police them lock up somebody. We know say a criminal that. People that demonstrate, Jamaican people don't demonstrate for decent people. So,
yes,
so that
both good and bad.
No, Jamaican people do not demonstrate for decent people. Period.
They did it for good and bad.
No.
We
A majority of the time. A majority. No, but I am. Sorry, you think I'm a foreigner? I'm a Jamaican too, you know. Me say Jamaican people not demonstrate for decent people.
I can't picture the face, but me in some areas where you've been before.
Like where?
Eh?
Like where?
Me never get into it, but me was an ex-man at the same time.
Yeah, ex-police?
So, yes, man. So that's why I tell you, say.
Oh, so basically you're one of the thief in police too, cause you say you used to do it too.
Yes, if you want to say that, you can. You're entitled to say. Yeah.
Then what? Then if you
disagree.
So you make so me ask you, so you make whole heap of money from them thing there for thief and them something there?
It wasn't thief. I was one of the man who stand up one side because remember say a gunman I come to, you know, so for watch the program too.
So you are the police to provide security for the
when I was in the system, I never used to do that. When I leave the system, I went and did that. I went and be a part of that.
So you did lose the work?
No.
Resign. So you resign and Jamaica and do the same thing. I must something why you resign, man. I must.
It was something.
No.
Sometimes you hear you're the person topic in everything. And you saw like some man far too tell. But sometimes you're dead wrong, you know, Mr. Potter. And I just know, and I don't.
Hey, look here. Me after me no perfect, so me not go. You understand what I'm saying?
But Mr. Potter, listen to my reason now. I can't just get up and call people near like that. I have a family in Jamaica, you know, and tell no lie for nobody neither. I spread propaganda. I spew. Because your platform is about truth, you know. So you have to hold it to a standard of truth.
Yes.
That's true.
Yeah, of course. Then
you hear me say, so me I go tell you, so me was a part of it. So me not go tell up no lie and come and
So all you used to make money from it? Why you get a cut from the deal or what? Or you make money from
proceeds. All right. When hardship, Mr. Potter. And
that's after you left the police force.
Yes, man.
So why? Hold on. So me ask you now. Before, so what year you joined the police force?
90.
Okay, you joined. So how many years you did the night?
5 years.
So where were your station?
Mobile.
Okay, boy, I mean I tell you, you know.
And something when we did. The job was, I think when we did.
So what? Okay, so hold on. So you lose the job on the 5 years.
You're going about lose. I'm telling you, we go firing. And me I said in sick leave and bridging, and say, boy, Inspector say, I go lock me up if I be a part of whatever. I'm frightened the man.
Inspector said them all lock you up for what?
Inspector tell me brethren say.
Them all lock you up?
Not me, because I not deal with him. I send the sick leave. If you go pick up the sick leave and a man down.
Yeah.
Doctor man down Pegasus. So that's a hotel down there. So. No man, and Doctor man downtown. Now our office they send there.
Yeah.
And so I beg my brethren to collect it. So the inspector intimidate him. He is a murder foreign and don't say I know I'm not sick leave and that. So we couldn't take the stress. I'm saying, this one I'm not sending sick leave.
So you resigned?
I did nothing.
Okay, so you're not foreign and you're on sick leave and you just. So why you never get sick leave from doctor foreign?
Right? Me never know I could have worked like that.
Yeah. So they never teach them thing they train in school.
No, I never remember that. They don't tell me nothing about it.
Okay, can them teach?
But I said that mobile reserve, you don't know I work, you know. You don't know. If you go for a read that man write the statement and all them something that mobile. So mobile was that thing where you just go there. And the man say, hey, I broke you out. I said, Squaddy, you never touched nothing yet? And he said, no.
And everything Mr. Me right.
No.
Yeah.
Your thing is about truth. I like to listen to you. Because you speak some facts at times. You remember say we there we can't tune in and listen to young police. And when me say it to someone, the man say, young police are liar, Virgin. Most I think me know say some not go so, but some go so.
So why him say young police are liar?
Yeah, it's like the same accusation where you say about Tillibaugh, man.
Okay. So
our businessman we have in Plaza. He got involved in a selling floor. Remember, Mr. Potter?
No,
No,
look here.
will come to deal with to buy them something there. And once they realize they mess up them up at the same time, they so and I understand it. So remember, I said, Tillibaugh, as a businessman, will live over this. So you think you're involved in it? First time the man they used to call the man them and say, yo, give back the man money, you not go dead. And the man then still not here. Me hear one you dead down a race course where they are, you say, I kill about people and kill that.
Yes.
No, how you figure say that?
Then information
about truth.
They're not truth. They're not
call them a man there and say, yo, give back the money youth.
They're not truth, man.
No, Tillibaugh go kill people. There's a police kill him at the little youth on a race course.
Police kill him.
Yes. So how Tillibaugh involved with that? That's a businessman like that. Anything else just wants about him? Me not no proof so, but he.
Okay, okay, hold on. So which youth that I said that Tillibaugh kill and a police kill the youth?
The last flower youth down where dead down there. Just a Tillibaugh then kill him.
Yeah, man. Then him kill him, man.
No, if you kill him, if you kill him, Sir Potter.
There's no film connection, man.
What do you mean connection?
The film crew.
Film crew?
One thing we
kill the youth.
Anything that we say over here, we can defend it on him thing there.
No, man.
So let me ask you.
Not about defend, Reggie.
So let me ask you.
You know our army base now, and nobody can reach you. So me not gonna say it like you, cause me a family out there. So me not gonna say like what you say.
Yeah.
But you there in an army base right now, where you're safe. So it's like say me I want like you not care too, but I the truth part me I talk about, you know. That is my. You say your platform is about truth.
Yes, sir. And that's right. That's all right. So look here now, between me and me applaud if you bring out to mention it. So if
me say I was apartheid.
Yes.
So me not telling a lie. Me not growing up corner.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. So just like how we have said before, and I'll continue to say again. If we have said anything over here and it's incorrect, Tillibaugh can call and clarify it. Because we have some. Hey, look here. We have some.
You like the content, Charlie. Why Tillibaugh call him? I won't if I think me against about the man Benjamin. Is that man I call him?
So why am I call?
You say some things about the man. The man now gonna come and talk to you, Sir P man. You done and ask the man name.
So what? So him and a drug dealer?
Me don't have no proof of that. You ever convicted for that?
No, that's why we tell us we never say him convicted for drug dealing. And just like what you hear me say about a police.
But all right.
Hello, Mr. Murray, listen to me I say. Oh, you mean you go and sue me, man? I want thing. That's why I mean like America and them thing. Because when people sue you, America, you have a thing when you're in discovery. Then you have your account or you come by your wealth. Discovery, you have everything, you know. When you come on to your discovery, when you come on to discovery in America court, you know, all in your bathroom, them go, you know. Them get figure. Stop right there. Pause this video and subscribe now to United We Win, Divided We Lose. This channel exposes the enemies of global democracy, led by the US, now under threat from a South African billionaire named Elon Musk, Peter Thiel and others, manipulating the world. Subscribe now. Subscribe to the channel. Those who know the truth but stay silent are nothing but fools and cowards. Speak up or be complicit. As we says, those who know the truth and stay silent are nothing but fools and cowards. So moving on to today's video. You know that?
Yeah, that's not true.
Okay, yeah. So that's why I make him sue it. Tillibaugh never work in his life. Tell me one job with Tillibaugh ever do in his life.
Man, a businessman, man, run plaza over there, man, big business.
Okay,
man.
alright. How him come buy money for buy plaza, for make
But
plaza?
we couldn't know that. We now get
Okay, we are telling man. You understand? So, alright, no, not Tillibaugh.
I'm saying, man, they are farm too, you know, Bridget.
There's nothing wrong with that. Then look how much thief in police have farm too.
Yeah, Jesus.
You understand? You know, call all the farmer commissioner of police thief and them thing there. Owen Ellington. Say me not thief.
Yeah, but I mean, say like you said them thing there, Sir Porter.
Why?
Say my thief.
How you mean?
Is he convicted?
I'm not a convict for say my thief. If I'm a thief and them thing there, you know I'm a thief. And him, not because I'm not convicted, where I go say, him honest?
Yeah, but
Me I ask you if him honest.
Like that, coming on no proof. That's what I'm saying.
No, well, look
you
here.
know what police tell me so when they tell I got prison. I'm surprised you want to get them information from.
So them nearly send me a prison?
No, man.
Where you say?
Owen Ellington.
Oh, Ellington a thief, man.
No, but I have no proof of that. We can't call it.
Well, look here. The police on the channel will come out and say a policeman by the name of Noel Morgan. And the police come and corroborate Morgan, but it's just that them not have the courage to come and say it out loud because them afraid of retaliation.
Like a Morgan, the one ready.
We did a federation. No man run away. Man that Jamaica say man. The man police involved in all kind of criminality. Shan the assistant commissioner named Shan and all kind of people. That was year or two. And the man go and report. You understand? One policeman. Him say. I not even want to call the policeman name. I'm an inspector now. I'm a senior man. I not call him name. Call them man, and every man, as I say.
You have some man name we are not calling.
No, because hey, look here. Yeah, me tell you, you have some police, you know. Them afraid of even in shadow, you know. I tell you, you know. Alright. You see like how me attack. You have police when who call me from Jamaica and tell me things, you know. And a million times I say, boy, me I beg you do, you know, what I call me name, you know. Them a tell me things. I have to tell them say, you don't tell me already, so don't do it. A detective, you know, man, I work like all MID and all of them place there.
Okay.
And CTAC. Cause them afraid, you understand? And although I say you not for you may not call a name and I go say it like how you tell me, because if I say it like how you tell me, people did upon the operation and know say somebody that was there. So I have to skew it in a way like a civilian tell me, you understand? Cause I'm afraid. You understand what I'm saying? Because man must say, oh, boy, I'm gonna steal like you and them thing there. Because I'm here all when you're police, you know. Or you over you know a conference, island-wide conference, and because of you, the assistant commissioner of police have locked down the conference because you say things will upset everybody. Because through your call out a big man name say them a thief and all them thing there. And the man must say,
you did that?
Oh, you mean for me you do that? So who else do it? How am I here?
So in 1990, Sir Porter, where are you supposed to start this year?
Yeah, man, St. Andrew South, man.
In 1990.
In the 90s.
Okay.
Up to in the early 2000s, you know what I'm saying. But me used to work at Clarendon too.
I heard.
So how many? Yeah, man, and Grave them a mentor, man.
Yeah, man, I read the police in there.
Yeah, man, you understand. I agree. Yeah, man, them man, good police, you know. You understand? Although some police call and bonfire upon them and them thing, everybody are gonna like you. You understand what I'm saying?
Not everybody not gonna like you. Some people are still like for you and some people.
Well, hey, I will if a police still like for me.
Yes. You with this strong thing about. So why you stop contribute to the Jamaican people and knowing that you have so much? I know you get that so much information. Why me stop what? Contributing what way? How you mean then he was a good police officer? Oh well, look here. The reason the reason alright, what I mean is what you get scared and leave. No, well, let me tell you now. I was a man for that, you know. By the yeah, you understand. You have to, hey, look here, because of me, you know. About seven detectives had to resign after because of my action, you know. Not in a bad way, yeah, to save them life and them thing. Cause may I tell you something now? You have a brother with your Mark Shields, the white man. May I tell Mark Shields, yeah. Some information. I had
submit some information to him about robbery and murder police. Where police committed. The same police on named Cowboy and Ox one of the.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. You hear about them police there and them thing there.
Yeah, man. They work with them too.
Well, me and them work on them thing there. Them not bad like how people talk say and them thing there. Them a thief. You understand? And
Ox used to be the man like when Ratcliffe them did the morning and bang, bad boy and bang a call a little bit. Ox is a man will take up the body and have the body and drive road.
Okay. You did that when Bobby Lick bang?
Yes, man. I know, man, Bobby Lick bang, man. I want police name from St. Elizabeth. Them bust them behind the man. Remember, I give young police. I want to forget what the soup name. I say you never live not yet. So Clooney's touch bang. Me get a liquor for bang. I want police named Derek Blair used to go to States touch bang. I just broke me out as young police.
Yeah.
Radcliffe, I want mobile man lick him in the pre service. Look at what him name. I went up on the operation, man, but I was close by where the actual action was.
I know, so my Radcliffe go up, you know. Yeah, if you not listen to the channel, man, yeah, man. One time before Radcliffe dead, man. That's why I tell people says that every gunman and a gunman, you know, a gunman, you know. You understand? Some man have gun, but because them have illegal gun, but them no walk with it, and have to just protect them family and them thing there, and them community. You understand? Yeah, man. One time when
Radcliffe was one of them.
Oh no! Radcliffe wasn't a bad man. George Pang them turn Radcliffe in a bad man. Bibo pass him on them. And them shot Radcliffe and turn him in a bad man. After them shot him, and him go a KPH. Him tell the police them send us here him know who shot him. But I saw it going to get out. If you talk, you can't stay.
Garrison.
Yeah, I saw it going to get out. You understand? You can't talk. Just like how the woman at Gregory Park since week, where them rape her neighbor and she talk and then they go and kill her. The woman have 8 children in a Gregory Park, you know. Yeah, man, them murder and them thing there. You understand? Yeah, man, Radcliffe wasn't a bad. Me and Radcliffe grew up together. We used to play all football on the road with milk box and all them thing there. Yeah, man. But, and one time I police center in early in 1989, 90 and them thing there. When Radcliffe start get wanted. Yeah, man, me dad the corner Price Street and Penn Street. Man, you know, my little corner that and them thing there. Be a big man there, sir. Yeah, man.
So you Dixie Palmer, them a squaddy?
Huh?
From
no, I 88 me graduate and them thing there. Me and the brother with the woman that get assistant commissioner that Owen Ellington baby mother, Shami and Shama batchmate.
Oh, okay. I just read a while ago they say 7 people.
Yeah, we graduate December 88 and them thing. And the brother with the Westmoreland named Joseph. I'm a squaddy and them thing. Yeah, man. So that me I tell you, say, I know if a man have a legal gun and I get to a gun, man. So like Radcliffe, you understand what I'm saying? So I'm tell you them thing there, you know, say I just saw Radcliffe, you know, hey look here, you see now I get to them thing there. If you live in a ghetto, you have to understand how ghetto politics work, you know. Ghetto politics are not ordinary politics, you know. You understand? You know, enough youth who live in a ghetto will become gunman. Some of them become gunman because it come with a certain amount of clout in a community. So you see like all which where me come from and them thing in a Jonestown concrete jungle. Like for them, the people them now, them see me as an informer. They don't see me as a law abiding citizen. You know? No. Yeah man, them see me as an informer. So them see me as a threat to them. To what they are doing, them survivality. You understand? Because me are the person who are out there and against what they are doing. So them don't like me. Yeah.
You don't agree with that?
No, so me an informer on them thing now. No, like for them, no, me for dead. I just
all right. You see the man who sell flour? When I went down there, you know man them tell me, say, and they said, this is the way we
make money.
Take away the devil's money. You get me?
Yeah.
So, you hear what I say? Their motto, this is where we take away the devil's money and inoculate them. So, them said them a fight crime too, you know, but that way they fight crime. You get the recipe?
Yeah. So, so me ask you something now. So, when you did that firing and then after that you resign. When you resign, why you didn't come back to Jamaica?
Yes, I'm come back to Jamaica.
So how long you did out there before you come back to foreign?
Up where?
Out of Jamaica, how long?
It was like 5 months. But the man now take the sick leave because somebody like somebody tell him to me.
You know foreign?
I mean, yeah.
Oh, okay, and plus your 5 year and them things, so you just call it a day.
I'm never interested in that. Something I did love, I have a passion for.
You never have a police force?
Eh?
Oh, so you was one of them, and that's a job, you know, and that's a job you did one?
Yes, it's a job.
Well, at least you're honest, sir. Believe you.
Yeah, it's a job. Just a job. I want a salary. My friend, I do. So I never really have the passion for it.
So you was...
I'm going to get a joke, but I know say I wasn't cut out for that.
Yeah.
One man, some mobile man, some ranger squad man.
So well, let me ask you something. So you know the brother with that True Island story? Him used to that mobile too, you know?
Where's True Island?
You have a channel.
I don't know. I don't hear the voice. I don't know who. I read the other day, I realized him a police, but him say, him interview one of Dodo's brother. And him say something about police.
Him interview one of Dodo's brother?
Yeah.
Which one?
That was the
which one of them? Which one of them? Liberty?
No, man. Older one. When say he used to smoke drugs and the man, them match his lane, see him one time. And then they were killing, but them say like a boss friend, and he said the boss, he said Dodo's brother, and then he said Dodo say, I mean, make they're not killing, you know. So I don't know if him is not Koke. You see by the mother side. Yeah. And I forgot your name. So that I interviewed them, I realized the Island True Brothers.
Me send him picture on him thing them. Him used to work. Him used to work, the man. Him used to work on mobile. His father was police too, you know.
Yeah, man. I was there when Tillibaugh Johnson did it.
Why him thief? No.
Yeah, you see, when we work at stadium, the money we forget, you know. But you know, I just say a thing there, man.
But you're supposed to be decent and honest when you come on to other people. You're not supposed to rob them.
And I'm going to get a joke. When they come in our system, right? And the system, you see the mobile man them where them charge to shoot the businessman out of whoever the guy is.
Which businessman?
Them same is a businessman, a Spanish town, but Joe we shoot out with the 3 police.
Oh, you thought the Dan, you thought the PMP Dan?
Yes, man, but then kid.
Yeah, man, you talk the one where the PMP soup, senior soup, send the police.
Yes, figure kid.
No, man, we're not talking about Bent. We're talking about the soup we send the police and for the bodyguard the criminal. The criminal.
I shoot out with the other set of police.
Yeah, with the criminal police, we kill the police. Execute the police and kill all the man's son. Him for charge of murder, because murder that's you know.
But Sir Porter, I go touch that topic here a while ago.
Yeah.
So, he just got mobile reserve to 15 too, because you're a young police. And you go there and the police them say, drive up a some betting shop, I have to drop betting shop. I say, police go in there so, and tell the girls if you send the money come. Yo, I do it 2 times, and the third stop me tell us I can't do it again. And I say, why? Then I don't feel comfortable doing it. Because when I go in there and see some bright-faced young lady, I was so embarrassed. Yeah, I do it 2 times. You stop us Barbican, we got 4:20 late, pick up. Go in a Grand Splendor, pick up. And when I go in there, then one girl say, "Funny young guy, yeah, do this." They should not talk to me directly, you know. When I come out, and it touch my conscience. So that's why I know, say, please no. I'm not cut out for them thing. No, I'm not cut out for them thing. And that dawn on me.
It affect you?
Yeah, and when we go there, they say, "No, get money, you know." So I don't care. So when I'm going, you know, we collect, when they pack up a piece of money, they pack up all the money, then they share me out, they don't give me none. I say, I'm not a part of it. And one time we go for an operation too. And because remember, when I got mobile, you go do an assault course up at McGregor Gully there and go down in Augustone.
I never know that. I never got.
Yeah, man. When Tuesday them did Campbell. Tuesday and Turner was the instructor himself.
Oh, so, Turner that had the round face, brother.
Yes, man.
What to him?
He retired, I'm supposed to return. So Pusey and Turner was the that them deal with the assault course. And when me da train school, I see them coming mobile reserve and recruit people. Me admire the uniform, they just look away. But they end up going mobile and but them is something me going on. We have a 303 rifle at the time, yeah. Yeah, them with it's SLR with them. And we going to our house so, and them find one gun. And it look young. And they want away. He said, police, he called me. He said, police, tell the police to come here. One sergeant up there. And he said, come here. And he said, you broke your ducks, eh? He said, yeah, man. Me say, yeah, man, because I just come and say, I take about 3 weeks to me the ISR question. He said, no, sir. And then he said to me, say, well, broke your ducks now. I'm going to walk out. I couldn't kill a little innocent youth like that. Certainly, me can't do, sir, Potter.
How you mean him innocent and you find him with gun?
A gun in our next room. From where in there.
So,
know, say, when we walk out of the house and look up, it's a higher level one next house. I see people I look down. The people with us, not saying I get in trouble, but me not believe in that.
So they must send him home?
Send him home.
The boy?
No, they never kill him. Because the police, me I was first one in calling there. I let the officer say I want and said, no, I'm shooting him. So I can't do it. I don't understand that. No, I couldn't do it.
You're a Christian, sir?
I'm a Christian. But and everything that wasn't for me that particular day. Remember me tell you say, bang, and me go on the next operation again with Operation Hardenberg and McGregor Gully. With a youth. So it wasn't about, but at that particular time, never in a spirit attack to me say, no, leave it alone. And we never do it. And the sergeant never rate me for that. So when them go for option, say, yo, no come and say, go there. Our next police is in the animal. You didn't know animal? You hear about animal, right?
No, I never hear about him.
Alright, one young police steal for Johnston, boots him up. Then say mother did a left a portion of money and Tillibaugh borrowed. Tillibaugh Johnson borrowed. It's alleged. And when animal, we get M16 to keep on here, right? Yes, and we have it. Because we up a camp with them every time, up a camp. Yeah. So we get the gun. So we gun in our position. So animal take the gun now and go bodyguard just a Ford. And just a Ford. One next police is that mobile named Nelson where they own a club and him. I think they left the work or whatever they. But Nelson did stand up back at just a Ford and animal find himself in a private car in plain clothes with the AR-15. I run back at Jester Ford because my boots in kind like excitement. It's like all the morning when Radcliffe dead. It's an animal clear crowd. Animal lost one M16 and wheel off it. And spray it and people just run up and down. So they used to boost him. You get me?
Yeah.
And he lose the work in at the same time in there. Like he's not supposed to be behind Jester Ford. But this to say that same work, them and the same people will boost you. When that time for you lose your job,
them just left you out there.
They're not left you out there. But I wouldn't say that about me, because me the mobile I play football and my duty I'm on time, you just see football.
Also you used to play football for my mobile?
Yeah man, for 2-3 months me that road, me not come on the work. Me just do home. Now a girl has Spanish too, now they made it straight. So one time now, so 3 months me and my virgin them without Spanish, we not come on our work. I told about football. For some reason we just it's no care attitude. And then we go back to work now and while inspector named Labor McDonald come and write one document like I say, if a diversion or whatever. So they did them name Miss. That's what she did name.
Miss Evans?
Yeah, Miss Evans, yeah. Assistant super at the time. Miss Evans said, he said, what I'm there? I say, Mr. Vance, you don't know, say. Whatever. I have a girl come from Canada and whatever. And he said, Mr. Laban, take up the document. So, may I tell you for this, that. Some police will do this and get in trouble. And some police will do that and get in no trouble. But it's a job where, you never cut out feet like some man. You know? Those are just a thing where my brother them have become police and become police.
So you didn't know a cool youth when you Indian youth you come from. I wish where you come from, don't a Rocky Point you come from?
Nah man, I come from Manchester.
Oh, okay, but you know Tillibaugh and them thing there.
Yeah, I go down there in 2000.
Oh, so you sit around them down at Manchester, down at Clarendon there?
No, who's that there around them? Me not there around them. My brethren there around them, but me down there.
But you don't say you did there around them when them so alright, so you know say you did there on the scene and them thing there. So why you did have
yes, you did have me not there around. I know Tillibaugh now do them something there. Them they were a different section. Who are for them place, who are Gimbit. Neither a race course.
Oh.
You get me?
So you know
Tillibaugh them now get involved in them
so you know a brother when name Natty Wink.
Me know say I today we talk about him. Me hear about him, you know, but I think I talked to him on the phone one time.
Cause people them say him my only one where him when him there and them thing him make the community much better and them thing there. No man Natty Wink.
Wink?
Yeah.
The one from Waterlane?
Yeah.
Is that the man they go right now, the man they want him like hot bread? Who have the man they have problem, man, Bridget? Oh, if you peace. You mad man, you know how much money man make that, Bridget?
Them say him
peace. Him now them respect the Bridget.
Natty Wink?
No, sir.
So what have respect down there?
Where down there? It's only cool youths, man. You Natty Wink, people afraid of him, you know. Remember saying, a man afraid of somebody with a nasty. You have your house and you know you can't shop at your house. If you don't respect you, the people that see you, you can't go down there because you have people in a problem and you kill off people and people kill off food and sit up on them.
But them say Tillibaugh kill for him brother and them thing there.
Them man they can't. No man, not go so man. Let me show you something. The youth, I told you we are talking about you.
So who shoot Natty Wink mother?
Mother? I'm so hard a man down there. Tillibaugh if get involved in don't think about that party.
We're not talking about him physically do it, you know. We are talking about him influence. You're going like say you don't know them things.
No, him not to do that, brother. Oh God, man. Think about it. Not concern him. Whatever. What concern him is that I'm some man. That the man I'm some man from England. No problem, Bridget.
Oh, Natty Wink.
Yeah.
What the other brother from England? He wanted that prison attack?
No, me don't in that prison today.
What him name? Let me say if you know. What him name?
Oh, man. Bobo.
Yeah.
I demand them man ain't a problem. You get me?
Yeah.
I demand them. Support Tillibaugh them. Remember that money like nice, you know. Some man can concentrate on money and I bring badness for them. They don't know that to support that. Man intelligent, but they not learn time. Most time, maybe say, me hear them say something about Tillibaugh then too. When I hear someone you dead down here and they say Tillibaugh, the woman on Facebook put up it. Tillibaugh nothing to do with Tillibaugh, but why Tillibaugh that take up people business for him?
Well, because he's not terrorist, man.
Hey, one that time, me hear you say something to you.
Yeah.
Every Friday, you say, this guy Philippe.
Yeah.
Jamaica, I tell you what, you always say that, when you say that. Oh, that guy Philippe. People really tell you that, suppose that.
Hold on. You know, you're the boy himself, you know, you're Guy Philippe himself on the channel.
So what Guy Philippe say?
Myself, you know, you're the recording of him.
No, sir.
I want to hear. Just go on
listen to
look here, for nearly an hour. Me record for nearly an hour.
You know that Guy Philippe that?
Just listen to it, man. Listen. It's on the channel, man. It's on the channel.
So what guy Philip say?
All right, well, I'm not gonna go into details on them thing because them thing the information we never put it on the channel because we don't want everything we are gonna put out on them thing. We just put the record in there where him attack and I call my name. So boy, you will hear it, and when I tell all the girls say him good in a Spanish and Creole and them thing and all of them something. That Warwick ill. Him last year December and him carry all M16 them in a Jamaica. A Tillibaugh and first part him stop was Rocky Point. I'll give Tillibaugh the M16 them. You know.
You believe that, Mr. Potter?
100%.
People wicked online.
No,
one time
it's not people.
People call you and tell us say some man up on the roof with them 16. Hey, remember say me never hear that, Bridget. Remember some people down the same line, me a woman, me a baby mother down there, Bridget.
Where you talk? You talk when them have to dance down there and them thing and them have fight with the rifle them. Then so where you say, alright, so hold on it. So alright. So when so hold on
video it and said he gonna show you for proof.
Alright, well let's listen. That's it. Alright, see it? So if somebody stays and send you a video with dance and all them thing and people, listen, man. Alright, so why? But if me stay down and release that video now on the channel, you know so people inside of the dance we know who send it. Yes or no? You're all police, you know.
Maybe not.
Although you claim say you know that smart and them thing, because you never like the work and them thing there.
Never like it.
Yeah.
I mean, like that's still the longer.
Yeah. So I ask you, if me stays and post that video now, you know if you say somebody inside the dance are gonna know who did video it. Okay. So me can't put it up on them thing then. But remember say you know saying same have the police them in them pocket or Clarendon, all of them.
You sure? I like police. So that we say police. No police are Clarendon.
Well, it's a general statement. You understand? Him control a large segment of them. A DIU man them. Cause you know say police them take out the man them will crash the plane.
Police.
Hey, then just say me.
Alright, me correct this reporter. The plane crash.
Yeah.
So me answer to you. If you DIU man into the plane, you tell me say the man them a mocha car know all of them is something. I know.
And question the police them. Then mocha.
The thing step up here now and modernize everything. Whatever a person do, the system know.
Yeah.
But it's just the right time for them go ahead and do whatever. Not true. Do you know that?
Yeah.
So we have a capability now. So why I don't know? When I say DIU man,
then Tillibaugh them the friend man, the DIU man, them a me pay man. I'm controlling me now. And even when them transport drugs, I see him police carry him drugs. See him. A Clarendon.
Easy.
Then I see him there. Hey, look here. One thing, I can't tell you, one thing with people, people not tell lie upon police that easy, especially when it come on to corruption, People, you understand what I'm saying? Nobody never say when me a police boy I'm used to sell drugs or I'm used to thief, coke and all them something there. Can me not do it?
That's the brother. You know here when I win
ugly some.
I not go so.
No.
You hear them, me try get back. Some people will say all kind of things.
No man, hey look here, ugly something of politics because true me I speak the truth. Me born and look here, me born and growing at the heart of the belly of the beast. Where ugly some come from, where ugly some come from, I pay a thief and I pay a dunce people come from out there, so lazy people. Them
where that? East Kingston, Vancouver.
Out of Rockford, man, I pay a thief. Me a family out there, and them are all caroused, some of them, The one them we all caroused, them left, but the caroused one them still out there, same way. We think like him, them thief, them like police. I don't mean them a family, them thing there. I mean, them I tell you, So him now, you hear how much lie him tell me, you hear how much murder him tell some.
Alright.
You hear
So this is what I'm telling you now. So same like how him can't tell a lie.
No, and
some people are tell lie, but people are Jamaica too, you know.
No,
but when they don't like you know, brother.
No, the reason why ugly some do them thing there and them thing, because he might try if chat down, he might try if make me look bad. But remember at first, you know, the amount of murder where him say me kill all people and let them sleep. You know, you hear all I want there?
Yeah. So me I say, so why me bring this over up? Me I say, me don't believe what ugly some are saying. But so when a person try to tarnish his career, they will come and go. Remember, say the Integrity Commission. You know what I'm about? We not touch money too.
No man, look here, the Integrity Commission now, no integrity. Let me tell you this. Listen, me I tell you.
Then get a man say them have a murder investigation. And if the people don't tell a lie, you then go investigate.
Yeah, so integrity.
No go so. Yeah. The man still have to run the investigation.
So
the man will tell a lie,
yeah, so
I'm not proof, me not run with it.
Yeah, well, no, that's why I tell you say Integrity Commission no commission, no integrity, because you understand? I think that is tarnish people character and reputation. You know if you do that.
All right, but here.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Man say.
Once them get a report, them have to
investigate. When you take out of him house. I mean, the man listen to talk show a lot, you know.
Yeah.
So I give knowledge, you know.
True. Yeah, well,
you have a big sense of that nonsense.
The Integrity Commission now, I look here. You say the brother when you Trevor Manu. Mr. people I put all
you don't know some about brigadista.
No, no with that. Trevor Manu responsible. Trevor Manu is the man we give at stepper them gun out of East Kingston, you know. You worry about the at stepper gang?
No, I mean hear about them.
Okay, a Trinity kill them off, you know.
Oh, okay. Trevor Manu is the man.
Yeah man, them and the man them a burger girl, him give them M16 rifles. Some don't know how him become. Hey, I'll see him place on a water lane there, Clarin and him man M16.
So WPG, right?
Yes, Workers Party of Jamaica. Them
Workers Party was Trevor Monroe squad, right?
Yeah, man, was swim thing, man. All in 86.
So PMP, all them used to say, some brigadista. So a brigadista, and WPG went to Cuba.
No, man, the WPG is a breaker from the PMP because you say if Michael Manley win back in 1980, they would have killed him like how they killed Maurice Bishop. Yeah, I mean, Lambert Brown and them, man. You never know that. The whole of them, yeah, man. Lambert Brown, a communist, man. Where PMP senator now. Yeah, you think, hey, let's see Mark Golan go on and them thing. You think Mark Golan can't touch all them guys, the Lambert Brown?
Why can't it?
You know, hey, number one, hey, you don't know Lambert Brown, man. You must think Lambert Brown a nice boy. Although you see him there, them thing there. Yeah. Hey, look here. If you notice, Mark Golan and them thing there, you know, say him the born in Jamaica enough. England him born enough. Cause I'm a Jamaican birth certificate, you know.
No, Jamaican birth certificate.
Virgin, last year, the first time Jamaican people are here, me tell them last year after the people them dead at Gregory Park. You see, just like you see him have people in a film circle were close to him in a PNP criminal organization. And them see one call and tell me, you know, last year after the killing of people them, when them burn out the people them and kill them, Gregory Park, you know, because same people in the PNP say no, we don't want this kind of politics at Jamaica with this violence. And we see Mark Golan, that's why them push him out and them thing there and tell me. You see like how me talk to you and tell me and say, look here, me can put my neck on the block. You understand? And tell us that this man the born in Jamaica, England him born, him have no the passport where him get the passport with no documentation. Him the born in Jamaica, him have no
Jamaica. Get the passport with no documentation.
I mean, you know say PNP is a criminal organization. I mean, at them in a power, them just fill out the form and them just give me passport. That's it. Him not go through nothing.
At the time when he get it?
Yes, there was no certification and not like how me I apply for it. I saw him get film passport, the Jamaican passport. Why you think him can't renew it? I'm on the birth certificate. Him not have none.
Why they not arrest him?
Hey, look here.
If him in a position
the Jamaican Labour Party not stay like the PMP. If you say if it was a PMP, you see like how you see people that much for me come from the jungle in a January, fire up fire up new M16 and them thing. Yes, and just like what you see at Mama Valley. You know, say the PMP would have send the military and the police on and lock down there And who for dead, and who for live. You know what? Until they get all I gun them. You know that?
Yeah.
I mean, you know the police?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Anytime the PNP call election, which part them what them always do first before they call the election?
Say jungle.
No, when the government do anytime when the PNP in a government and them all call election, the first thing they do before they call election. When they use the security force and do.
They go shoot some man.
Yeah, which part them always go? Which part them always go?
Oh, Tivoli.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Yeah, what me ask you, you labor at PNP police?
I don't know that.
No man, you must lean to one. Alright, may I tell you this? Me born
when me did that, when me done a race course, me probably the PNP man they put the bandwagon, come like it. When me done Mapen, me vote for the Labour.
Well, so you know really okay. Well, me.
You understand me?
Yeah. So
if we done a race course called PNP fraction, we jump on the bandwagon and drive around with them. But I made a Mapen town now. Me work with it. Cause you have to know where I do to.
So you understand? Boy, what name? Ramon. What name?
Ramon.
Well, this boy Jerome. Yeah, Jerome.
No. Me see them man.
Yeah, the man a friend.
No, sir, man. Again, I meet that man once in our restaurant. I don't restaurant I work. I mean, see that man. He's not that type of man.
Okay. You know, I feel them really in the drugs business and them thing there.
No, but it ain't even that.
Mm-hmm.
I see myself. I'm that mobile. You see?
Yeah.
Mobile is a place like you have a hungry tone mobile, but it push you to go hustle for yourself. So I see myself as a leader. I don't see myself as a man, follow back on a man. Because I don't feel no man to box me, you know, and me have to take it. You understand what I say to you?
So hold on. So you have man out there with box police and then take it?
Me don't say box.
But
me not put myself in a police.
For them man this year and them thing there.
Me not talk about say Dan, and just like you say, me know that the man there.
Yeah.
Me not go around them man there. Cause me not want the man talk to me too hard and then something.
Yeah, you know want the man this year and them thing there.
No, so you run your own thing.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Me ain't no crew thing, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't have time for that. But me will do whatever me I do by myself.
For survive.
Yes, me not follow back on no man.
Mm-hmm.
Cause me can't go take no, and a man I go say, you know, you no, me not like that. Me see the guy already. I saw him before.
Mm-hmm.
But I you say that me have wonder. Oh, are you did that? You didn't make a video on. No, me not touch yourself with the trainer. Yeah, man. So me I tell you now, say, me not believe in a go behind people. Cause if I was like that, I would force myself not behind Tillibaugh them. You understand myself? If I was a man, we push myself behind people.
Okay. Okay. So all right. Let me ask. So you know the fat detective where them say always they own him.
You know, remember say maybe a long time that.
Okay.
Never see.
Cause I'm always there a certain gas station and me when him play domino and them thing there.
Gas station.
Right?
Eh. Okay, so detective today. Well. Okay, detective. So,
you know who me attack?
Mr. H.
No man, call him name man. I Clarin and people them. Hey, look here. Hey, look here. Someone me tell you something.
Hunt.
Well, yeah. All right, look here between me and them thing there. You know, say when me from me, you know, say you see all the youth where them kill where the man them a me pen them kill and them carry lure my son catching and kill him. You remember that youth there?
The police kill him?
No man, not a gunman kill him man. I don't remember him name. Him have a funny name and them thing there. We say him rich and me pen man.
Gregory.
No man, one youth him did on YouTube. I don't remember him name right now and them thing there. But it's a boy who have money in him, the rich. And the man them borrow him money.
Bill Gates.
Bill Gates them call him?
No man, Bill Gates is dead down at Clarendon. So me I Spanish town, you say.
Yeah man, them kill him at one place at Spanish town. It's a boy who have money in him man. he must druggies and them thing and all kind of thing. But it's like look before them kill him, it's like him not lose him head. Him did have an illegal gun and they on camera and them thing.
Oh, I see that boy they on YouTube. Yeah, we must say.
Yeah.
Yeah, how much million and this and that. Yeah.
You know, say another him tell though.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So you that Spanish don't tell me say.
Yeah, man. I him tell. Alright, then you know, say between me and them thing that. Alright, you saw me not talk about Serpy and me not talk, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Me talk to the people. And you know, say I see him boy them my student them kill him and all them thing there. Me get all the people them number and all of them something, but you understand? Yeah, man. When you hear my talk and them thing there, me my talk, him, me know.
They have a big house and all.
Yeah, man. Him analyze me not tell them thing there. Him friend them kill him, man.
I saw me here saying was like that.
Yeah, man. Him did have money for true, man. Him have money. You understand?
I mean, I have my son Spanish on, some Spanish on that tell me so. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. What you can do, man? You tell Tillibaugh can't come and defend himself, you know.
When I get into that, but when I say why me the result to you know?
Yeah.
Is remember say your platform is truth.
Yeah, man. Know what I mean? Then hey, look here. We don't know everything. Hey, look here. We don't know everything, you know. So that's why people can't come and correct it. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
It's as simple as that. So just like what you said, just like
the topic them in the pan, you know. So me don't know nothing else more nothing. So you can talk about that one topic there.
Yeah.
You get me? So me now go in a one next topic. If you say one next something, I go tell you say me now no proof of that. But you know that topic there? I did fluid ground this so we can talk about it.
Yeah.
That man I get involved in that. That man that more say give out the people their money. You understand? I tell you that's more say give out the people their money. You're dead. You understand that you? So
when you say him better somebody than Natty Pink? Natty Wink.
You mean Natty Wink that fire and hide and I said go hurt people better.
But I'm up on New York that you wouldn't know.
Yeah, Brooklyn.
So all my eye than them thing there. Can't Tillibaugh can't come foreign. Tillibaugh can't come to America. Tillibaugh can't come to America. Can't even come in my guard jail.
I don't know nothing about that part there. They say my guard jail for.
Then Tillibaugh a big drugs dealer, man. I mean for what?
Then then why they wouldn't go film at Jamaica if he did want it?
Well, because them now.
Because the time me and police say, oh, I got prison this year. I don't even know Mr. Ellington I drink coffee. He man have big, but you get a big post there in the bus business.
In the labor, with the labor, yeah, man. Then
me not listen to
propaganda.
No, me not spew them and something.
Boy, when Ellington a thief still though. May I ask you?
People say that thing.
Yeah, man. They don't know the boy from Stone Crusher gang. What them did kill Doggy. So you know say Doggy Ellington name in a Doggy diary.
Wait, they said say boy Ellington.
Well, him saying got Ellington mother 9 night at Glengarth and all of them. So that's why they don't release the diary. Why government not release the diary?
Say Ingo there.
Yeah, man. Him and Liber Rancher and them thing there.
Oh, the boy Doggy?
Yeah, guy.
But remember, say Doggy was an enforcer, so if Ramcharam have him run him. I know him. Maybe you not go to. Think about it. It's possible. I remember, say, then if politician die, Jamaica politician a gunman round them. Me not hear you call him politician name. Also, one gunman run and juggle the road. I'm not going go there. So what if the commissioner go? Think about me, I said to you.
No, whenever say Ellington and Dog, your friend, you know, what does I say? Why boy write in a diary? So I say why the government afraid to release a diary because he is damaging thing in it with people. Cause him spill some things. You understand what I'm saying? But yet still, you know, remember say when Ellington a commissioner of police, you know, any police were associated with a man like Liber Ramchar, he might kick you out of your work. But yet still, so that's why I say my thief, him alone for have friend were involved in nefarious things.
You say any police who had
any police who have friend were involved in a drug, Ellington kick you out of your work. But him have the biggest drug dealers friend them. So that's why I say my thief.
Oh, okay.
When you're a thief, you know, if you try to kill the next man with a thief. Love him. Make somebody who are a thief do it.
That's true.
I saw me see it and them thing there.
That's
But if you notice the police them were a thief, at them like for killing the police were a thief. Make somebody else do it, you know.
That's true. But you know, so we are Jamaican, so we see the crab in a barrel syndrome, and we prove on one another.
Well, Mr. Man, hey, look here, me not fight again. Hey, look here, the only thing me tell you on them thing from my police, me not like thieving police. Police not for thief.
I understand,
yeah, you know, for rob people and them thing there as police. The people them supposed to feel safe because you.
That's true. Once you set out to do them things.
You're a criminal man. You're not police.
Yeah, that's true.
So that's why I don't rate them man. There's no police and them thing. Them man they are carousing, you know. You understand? And pretend like all a man who charge a thief for dishonesty become commissioner of police. You know, say a criminal's paradise that.
That's when it case with my school where it is.
Yeah, you understand, yeah. That for sure, you say Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. They don't want honest people to lead the police.
But I say you approve innocent and improve. Like say look for Mr. Trump, the same thing. So they say them all follow the law, the land.
No man, Donald Trump is a convicted felon.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's what I tell you. Say,
in America, if you have a record, you can run for president in the law.
Well, I know, but you know, and you can't vote. So if you be yeah, but one of that, and who you think them did that? Why you think them have them law? Are black people them do it against you know?
True.
Because when them used to do them tell like on black people and give criminal record. We live in a wicked place, you know, when it come on to black people, you know.
That's true.
So that's why when we say all black people say them a support Donald Trump, I'm afraid of them like puss.
So the police them are go and good door.
Yeah man, boy, may I tell you first we see the police them get the support. Hey, look here. You have to give Prime Minister credit still doing it. Because you say come out and defend the police them Friday.
Yes, man, me love that, man.
Boy, may I tell you. Yeah, well, you know, say them, say the only Prime Minister ever do something like that are Mike Edward Seaga though. With different Edward. Look here, Virgin. When we are police and Edward Seaga Prime Minister, for you as a policeman, for evil charged with murder, it a very extreme.
True, man. Remember, in my days, you know, when in Hanover the document, they want them a man at dust. They want about 13 gunmen, known gunmen.
Yeah, man, from Tivoli.
MP you remember Paris at the time?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. And nobody ever do that.
No other politician. You see it?
Never do that. So, you know, very highly respected.
Yeah, man. Then, hey, look here. Our man no born and grow in a PNP community love a man like him. Because the man stand for law and order. When Edward Seaga Prime Minister was safe, me could have walked from concrete jungle go downtown up here. Nobody can tell me say I lie me I tell because me do it all the while. And the guy couldn't ask you where you come from. No artificial borderline there. Because Edward Seaga said then, you know, him say I want than that Jamaican and him, you know. And him say man and the Prime Minister for the people them are the people them are Tivoli. Him a Prime Minister for every Jamaican. And him say if you trouble any of my citizens them, me I send my police them come for you. And about if you say jail, you go when them come. You understand? Yeah, man.
And like we government are investing in police too.
Yeah, for real.
You know, I love that. So there's some positive with the country. That's why money.
Why? Yeah, the police they need to get better pay still though, cause a man is supposed to get paid today and you broke today, you know.
Broke tomorrow.
You put it too far, man. Today you get paid today and broke today.
I when we realize, it's still like say with other foreign, you see some people like the police and you see police and the police are look on you brethren that's a boy, coach you man over there, someone. You have to feel funny, so you know say that is authority. But Jamaica people have this thing about him where you disrespect police.
No, because let me tell you a reason for that. Because I PNP criminal organization.
That's true, yeah. Give them.
You see, I tell you this, when me a young police, when Edward Seaga Prime Minister, me alone could have left on a coaster bus or a Tata.
As a police.
And come and people help me to lock up anybody on the bus. Me I tell you that. I PNP come in and change all of them something.
Yeah, man.
The country not come back on track, you know, until Mike, you know, say Hurricane Gilbert. You know, say I see him PNP then it pay the JPS man them. For sabotage the country why we never get back light until after a PNP then win.
You serious?
Then the same thing you see them do right now. Alright, same thing, all the same boy Tillibaugh do down a Clarendon. So you know say down a water lane. You know say a two a fiend boy and them come out with AK-47. Same place down there, Assault Clarendon. Him and the council, I tell the people them if you left a tree them in a road and them thing there, cause I government to move them. When we
since you ready?
You know they know I like me do it. Since the hurricane, Tillibaugh do it. Him Tillibaugh, Peter Bunting, Miguel Phillips, and Jess. You understand? Them a sabotage the country. And I behave like say JPS is owned by the government. When I PJ Patterson and PJ Patterson and Philip Powell, them sell off JPS to them friend to a bankrupt company in America and turn, you understand? And turn it around because how much money you think they get on that table? PJ Patterson is the most corrupt prime minister we ever have in Jamaica, a black man.
I tell you. But we need to get the sense when the people see police, you drive a fear in them.
Well, look here.
The people afraid of police.
Yeah, but look here. We see the Prime Minister kind of make some little headway with that. We see the other day with the woman at school and the Prime Minister come out and defend the police.
Yes, I say, yeah man, on the outer order.
Yes, so you have to give him credit. So he might behave like a leader now.
That's true.
You'll never see Baby Trump do that.
That's a Mark. Mark him just want Mark has try 15 like him and one away.
No, him a fraud. Yeah.
You can't say fake going on.
Fake like a $3 bill.
Yeah, it's fake man, you can't see it man.
But you know say PNP them afraid that, you know say people them in the PNP free. Oh them afraid of foreigners sir.
I said Jamaican people stay man.
Oh, them afraid of white man. So they never did afraid that, but they never did afraid of Siaga though.
Yeah, because they know this Siaga have good heart.
Siaga decent. The amount of lie when they tell upon Siaga, man. Tell you, man.
And then live to say Mr. Siaga, this time Mr. Siaga.
Yep, and I only man will love Jamaica. Michael Manley destroy Jamaica, you know that?
Some year, I don't really know a fact side. Because I remember time there, me young, I don't really read the history.
Alright. Let me ask you this now. If a man send close to 2,500 young men to train in Cuba, in the use of firearm, explosive and guerrilla warfare, guerrilla fighting, to come back and unleash this on the civilian population. Remember that these men are not soldiers or police. These men were trained as criminals. And then the other man send 0 men to another country to train.
Who should the same men will then kill a Green Bay?
Then Michael Manley do that too. Colonel Trevor Macmillan, the man get commissioner of police. You know, saying PNP when they commit crime, you get reward. I saw a man get commissioner of police, you know, that was his reward enough to kill the people in Green Bay if he become commissioner of police.
He get commissioner? That was his reward?
Yes.
So it was PNP government put Macmillan in power?
Then, so are you in the police them time? Then who you think?
Yeah, man. Yeah, let me tell you that Ellington assistant super inspector. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Ellington was him chief of staff.
Yeah, he was advisor at the time.
Yeah, man. And you know, say they mash up the police force. Yes, man. And they mash up the police force.
Yeah. PNP time.
But me see like him, you know, say commissioner of police at Owen Ellington nephew do, you know.
Repeat that?
You know, say them say commissioner of police now at Owen Ellington nephew.
Kevin Blake.
You never know.
I lie. How come?
But you don't read police. Owen Ellington sister Pitney.
Serious? Okay. Actually, for promotion nation, come at 3 days.
Owen Ellington nephew.
Yeah?
Owen Ellington sister.
At 2000, he became a police.
I
want to accelerate promotion, man.
Yeah, man, him come in after him at 30. I PNP make that all possible because when time you join the police work, you couldn't join. Just like you couldn't join. If you have a 30, you can't come in. I PNP change that and them thing to make sure them get job for them friend. Cause remember say them not create job, you know. PNP can't. When me join the force as police, you know, them time there, you know. People no giant, nobody know have to be police, you know, because you have better job, better paying job out there, you know. You feel love the thing for be police them time.
That's true.
When you did join police work, you didn't know how much money you get for pay?
No, sir.
Okay, well now you know how much money you get before you join it. So you see the difference?
Yeah. That's true. So if you have a choice, you say, I want to work for that, you know,
Yeah. I them man mash up the police force, man. Who in Ellington?
So me used to have a train school, and we back in the days when Corporal Christian equity them now. I lick you with the swag, I say, march. You said them stuff I can't go on now.
No man, you can't. I them do that, man. Turn them in a baby now, man. Man can report them on them thing there. Say them look on them too hard and make all them cry. So I be a police here about them, man. So that
baby police.
Yeah man, I be internet. Me call them social media police.
So girl too. Everything. My internet police. They get promotion if you just step on the gram.
Me not watch them on them thing because them are dummy, you know. yeah, dummy them. Yeah,
so none of your squad of them now assistant commissioner.
Yeah man, then my squad when name Shan man Ellington baby mother, she just get ACP.
Oh, you squad of them?
Yeah, you understand. You understand, and a brother, me and him are not friends still. Me and him in a cadet, but him are Corals name. You understand? One name Gary Mackenzie.
Gary Mackenzie.
Me and him in a cadet, yeah. But him know say him know say a criminal police want to kill me, and him never tell me. So yeah man. So that and him.
There's a reporter. I say police work. I want funny work too, you know, cause and the guys them not you know not genuine. Me wouldn't say. Most of the people in that work, they're not genuine towards you because as soon as you leave your work, then nobody not call your phone, nobody not link, nobody not busy with you. I tell you, as soon as you left work, nobody not busy with you. So in a certain case, the people are not genuine.
Unless you have something to offer them financially.
Yes. Yeah, true. So it is a thing like that. And I'm going to hear a joke. One time in that back room there for mobile and so hungry morning. And the peer wasn't like, and I said to one police, yo, give me a money, you know, so my hustler road. The man give me a 20 Canadian, and I said, I'm going to change the money. Yeah, I said 20 Canadian, and he laughed, and he give me 20 Canadian. You know, so I'm going to change the 20 Canadian, and I'm fake money, man. I don't want to name brand police, yo.
Who that? Which one are that? You say one police a mobile, we empty him again, too sweet in teeth, you know.
Yeah, right, too sweet. Yeah, I'm here about him. I'm gonna, I think they're Ghana, England.
It must, me say him dead over there.
And they kill him, right?
Him the thief, you know, man.
Yeah, too sweet. Too sweet, are the one that used to play Party Brown, Jim Brown, them, Yard man, them?
No, not Jim Brown. Jingles.
Yes.
Upper Scotland.
Yes.
Them man, used to smoke the weed like cigarette, you know.
Hey, I think they are joke. You know, some used to go operation, drive out at night time. And they all, the time I have him, we don't call it squad every time, man.
Ranger squad?
Ranger squad, man, them drive out. I say, police, lock up your yard. They just stop. Lock up your place. And man, they start burning weed car. Time is police business. I tell him, man, light up each other this one and start burning and go down and go drive all boat bridge. But one thing me meet up some old police, they were fearful. They don't care about nobody. They were fearful.
Them fearless.
Yeah, man, fearless. Yeah, no fear for nobody. And it make me learn a lot from them. Yeah. We go patrol up a Brandon in the St. Andrew them and he said, listen, no police. When they go in, as soon as they go in, they squeeze some tree. We have to, them boy have it up there, so you have to squeeze it on them. You have to squeeze it down here and know say we're there. Because, you know, say you have to element of surprise to the enemy. You know? And POC is the thief for them to get element of surprise. When you have a mobile like a operation at 4 o'clock in the morning, and POC, everybody a drink tea. POC just come kick over a teapot and say, hey, see, Romeo, I want to eat a Philistine, I want to deal with no one no tea for this, buddy. Hey, so them man, it's superior sometimes give you that drive.
But you know, say Renita Adams, you know, say them mash him up though, you know, though.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
How you mash him up?
And them put something in him drink, man. I'm not mash him up. That's why I'm dead.
Jesus.
Just like what you just say on them thing. The same man them when you work it, the man that love you on them thing. People they close to him, man. And them put things in him drink and mash him up. Before him dead, up using that in one night from day, you know.
I lie.
Yeah, man, the man lose everything, man. They mash him up, man. Mash up him brain. Yeah, man. Renita Adams rejoice when the man dead, man.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
I've been here joking. You know, some guy I told one time. Them a King birthday.
Yeah.
I mean, go there, go see them. Go see Pusey there. For some reason, I see Pusey there with the. I don't understand it works sometimes.
So you see Pusey who they are King birthday?
You see Pusey. And he was some other police.
You know if you ask, Harry Bungus dead?
I say Bungus boy that man. I say Bungus did him man. Bungus a Bungus boy that.
So you never see Renita Adams stuff?
No, I never see Adam. Never see Adam never time.
And Danai Williams boy that you know say Danai Williams boy Adams lose him visa though.
I like how comes?
I mean, then him give the DHS the affidavit, man, about the gun case where them kill a man with Steiner, where the 4 people then kill a clarinet.
Danai Williams do that?
So what him do?
Then you say Danai then go check the gun. Yeah,
so that's why hey, look here. Well, one thing in America, when the feds put in our room, you know, you understand? Is either you go fess up or you know what I'm saying?
Tough boy.
Yeah, so him just give affidavit. You understand?
He give him the truth.
What do you mean if he give it for true?
No, that was his statement saying he gave him a fire and true.
Of course, remember say it is
squad when near Ramsey where the contest to end England. No, I'm squad that you know.
I mean, you saw Jamaica go on. Even police were witness affair. Even police returned witness affair runway. Can you believe?
It's a matter of both England.
Because police affair runway because I see him criminal police.
So you understand me? So you work here street porter.
Right.
You get me? If you are doing the right thing, a man will lick you with you.
True, man. And a lie I tell man.
And you can't say, Denka, don't tell me about Denka.
No, man. Hey, you have some criminal police. Yeah, hey, you have a police where down. You have a brother where did that in the prison when he Shakes. You didn't know him? Altman Shakes.
Shakes, huh?
I am kill the boy up a Lucian house, man. Him a criminal, you know, man.
And in that, so when you go to prison for?
For robbery, man. Him and a boy did go rob out where place a name out of Walks Road. You have a new plaza out of Walks Road that is near to Damed. Walks Road, a Spanish town, that man. I must see name Angels or something like that. Out the same
plaza, yeah.
Yeah, him and one boy go out to go rob and them thing with him lice a gun. I saw him get a prison and them thing. Shakes. Yeah, man, a dangerous boy, man. I don't know if him there foreign now and them thing. I know him they got a prison.
Was he robbery?
Yeah, man, a one dangerous boy, that man.
Yeah, man, just like one police where the name Robert, where they catch upon the
airport.
That man there. With the robbery with the
people them from airport.
Returning residents.
Oh, and you know, so I'm female detective, you know.
That's from here. Was our assistant to let me tell her inspector.
Boy never have no ambition, man. Boy come from country and live in a with lane in a dirty people and them thing there. You know, boy, you understand? I low self-esteem, you know. Oh yeah, police and them thing there mix up with criminal. You have low self-esteem, man, you know.
Then I say a bigger food did broke him out, bigger food boxing. I know this time I didn't teach you.
A bigger food turn him in a thief?
Broke him out, yeah, you see. Come say did that central CIB.
Yeah, man. So how bigger food broke him out? A bigger food is you can't go out to go rob?
Then I say them patrol with bigger food them too, man. I want named Cornwall. One of them named Cuckooberry, Cornwall. Them are the thief, man.
Cornwall dead, you know?
Alive, which part?
Then the same police kill Cornwall or Texas, man. Same police where him and them used to up here sell drugs, yeah, man.
Oh, alive.
When I police want to kill me, man, Cornwall did a flying squad. One named Christopher Ebert. He was cadet.
He break?
Yeah, man.
1 kilo,
Yeah, man. You know him, he must carry that and him have mash mouth. Kind of have mash mouth. In the gas sentence.
So he would carry it after you are.
He must carry it after me, man. Yeah, man. He name Chris.
Because they got small little brown one. We used to ride bike. Look at what you name, you get in trouble. I could carry it. 90 there. Look a young boy there.
You talk one of them called Pinchers.
My popular boy, man, that little boy out there. When he name, man, he last name.
Oh, Simpson.
Simpson, I name Pincher.
No, man. Oh, them chop him in the head at St. Elizabeth, you know.
Simpson?
But you know, say, yeah, man, you know, say, me used to carry drugs up in a drug mule, you know.
I
mean, I lie. The brother when Colin Mackenzie without Kingstonies. Them used to carry up Koke in them belly come to America.
So Simpson them a visa long, travel long time?
Yeah, man. They carry up Koke in them belly. Yeah, man, I'm a sergeant at St. Elizabeth. I don't know if you get inspector, but Mackenzie get deputy soup. Because Mackenzie used to raise pig for Owen Ellington, you know, in Dark Line, and that's why I get the inspector, you know.
Mackenzie. Mackenzie. You know him, sir? Mackenzie.
He used to clap me up, man, as detective, man. Him named Colin Mackenzie. He arrest my nephew, you know. You know arrest me where they training school? Robinson.
Yeah.
Them say arrest my nephew. Yeah, man, Mackenzie have one big house Asburn store, man. Yeah, man. Me not grudge the man for them house and them thing, but them man used to carry up Koke in them belly. Me I tell you them, Colin Mackenzie a drug mule. My deputy soap what? Yeah, two of them used to carry, one of them alone. Me can't call all more police name and them thing there. Yeah, well, you understand? We used to carry up Koke. One of them in my cousin and them thing there. So I saw me, you know, him tell me, you know, him in a police under a client and with them.
Oh, so are your cousin tell you?
Yeah, and I saw me and him talk. Him tell me, you know, a man attack and a brag about him crime and him fee say something nice, him I tell you. Yeah. So him expect say you know that's I may tell him so when everything I may say virgin, Mr. Charlton, you can't say them thing, man. Me say you know much life you destroy when you keep Koke in your belly. Yeah, man. At them time, I saw me and him kick off on them thing there. But them time, them don't tell me all I name my police there. Him and them used to carry up Koke in them belly come to America. Him live in America, you know. Me not, about 20 years or so, me and him not talk through that.
Is that your cousin?
Yeah, man. Me tell him, yeah, man, me burn fire upon him and I'll tell him he got a lot of juice all him woman and them thing there. Yeah, run him around them thing there. Because I tell him say a wickedness that. Because I tell him say if you want your station you can't coke. You can't coke on them thing in your belly, you know, and me say black people you kill off in America. Black people.
Burn out the weed, man, but you burn out the coke, man.
Yeah, no, weed and natural thing, kind of chemical in it and them thing. And everybody can manage the weed, you know. Some people mad for smoke it, you know.
You know, so look you mash smoke, man.
Yeah, man.
I head just gone or whatever.
Yeah, man, you understand what I'm saying? You know, and everybody can manage it, man. You understand?
But if you go and burn the fire, you know.
Me not stop burning the fire, Rasta.
Yeah. Go and do it. But you know, so it's my time. You have to shift out the conversation then before you say it, because people will set you up, you know.
No, man. Hey, look here. You know, say a good thing here what you just say. May I tell you? You know, what you just say is very important. I mean, I tell you this now between me and you. You know, say a man. You know, say when Jalan Sylvia kill him wife.
Yeah.
Now I tell you, you're not idiot, you know. About five people contact me with all kind of information about him and him thing there. And you understand what I'm saying?
Then they ask for money. I just give information.
Just give information, man. I said them a try to set me up on them thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but me not idiot. So you know, me just listen to them and say them thing. Can me make sure say anything that people give.
If a man, when some man a man from the other side, we say, yo, call him and tell him that.
What?
Because they want...
Yeah, man, for discredit you, yes.
It's hard for you come back from it, you know.
Yeah, man, for real. Actually, man. Then look here, let me tell you what them do. Then you know, so them send Isaac Buchanan come over here. Him there on the channel, man. After 3 or nearly 4 hours, man, in the on it attack. Isaac Buchanan, man, and him couldn't manage me.
Eh?
Yeah, man. Him the panic, man. That's sorry.
I'm not
Isaac
take
Buchanan.
cartel money for no reason. Him just in hype for the hype, you know.
Yeah, no, him love it. I know, say him father, you know, say him father PNP, but it's like the father, and I like Mark Golden still, you know.
Eh? His father is a singer. What is singer man name?
Yeah, man. Big Youth.
Big Youth. Okay.
Him do one song, say, man, hit the road, Jack. You know that song there? And don't come back no. Yeah, man, I feel him father that, man. Yeah, man, I feel him father.
Big is Isaac, is it? Isaac, you know this cartel thing, you know, for the
hype.
The man love media, man.
For the hype and the money. But you know, say, man,
cartel come already next week.
But you know, say, my rear admiral, though.
Oh, Isaac.
You know what I know?
I'm not seeing no woman still.
Hey,
I real admiral, you know, still with no woman.
Then you know, say, the boy named Andre Stephen leaked the man's secret.
Him, this man, he's a devil. Sometimes I want to call him and tell him something.
People.
You know, you can't trace with a punk, you know, brother.
People follow up all them man there.
You can't trace a punk, you can't trace Shabada, you can't trace them. Because the other thing you deal with a punk is get to the eye with everything. You can't trace a punk.
Shabada, I'm not my father, brother.
No, sir, I don't think so.
So then say Shabada, I'm my father, brother.
Remember say Bunty always say something when Bunty say the father say you bust up. You know, because DJ slang. Now, sir.
What Bunty say?
Shabada say you bust up, my talk about beanie. So back in the ideas, I'm not saying that say it now.
Yeah.
Because it was a competition thing. So when a man put gape on your name,
no man, being man a real admiral, man. Me not ask
you say that thing, the boy you're going to our house and shit up. You smell the shit for two, Potter.
They've never seen me couldn't tell you.
Yeah, Potter.
I tell you, man.
Yes, the Patrick Roberts
and being man. It two man in the house are sweat. And being man have on a shorts, a little red shorts. And below him you go down a pay fussy.
So here we say to you know, Potter. Who are you going to our house? Is that such a is that want to make a raid?
Yeah, man, a raid, man. I see him, man. I see him, man. Hold it down the most. I know, so between me one video me do were released recently, but I think yesterday and them thing. Me talk about it too, you know. Yeah, man. Me talk about.
Me listen Beanie Man and I say, oh, the Batman stigma come. Is Patrick Oman.
Hey, look here. What is him say?
It's a Patrick woman at the time when Patrick and the woman are left. So she was the one who said, yeah, Batman, so that's what that name.
Allah him tell on him thing. I tell you, say me go up and raid. We go up and raid at Jamaica Street. You understand? Because the boy I know was the most wanted man, and boy named Christopher Brown, big batty man. I first.
AK, what was his AK?
Him name Chris. Him name man. He come from Pnplgbtq man. That's 1993.
Okay.
January, about the 20-something of January.
Him did at the house?
No, him that's supposed to die at the house with Patrick Roberts and Beanie man. Because them have them thing, you know, 1, 2, 3 of them. You understand? So the first house we go at Jamaica Street and a Patrick Roberts and Beanie Man in night. Me I tell you say Beanie Man I sweat like the two man I sweat like pig. You understand? And he all stink like shit. And I police when he in Palmer now.
Palmer, you know work here?
Him dead man, him kill him 2014 March.
Okay.
He come from St. Mary, Kirk Palmer. I think he and Kirk Palmer are supposed to be batching mate, you know.
Kirk Palmer,
He come from St. Mary, yeah man. And I Kirk Palmer now when I also say, you know, fuck man. But him a batty man too, you know, we never did know then, you know.
Oh, Kirk Palmer?
Yes, he mean a batty man, but we never did know then. So when him attack from experience. So that's why him did know say that the man do. Yeah man, I that the man. I tell you man, hey the man that you know the man that when I no finish on him thing when him attack.
Yes.
I saw him say.
When the inspector already done I want to be essential. When in my run to politics now. That's why I can't when they catch me in the house with man up in the house. When I run up a Lynn City already,
Amos?
Yeah, man. So always clean shave.
Who say them catch man in a Amos with at first me I hear that.
Alright, you joke now.
Mm.
Me me not go running.
Hey, you can't talk to people and talk to me.
Yeah, man. Sorry about that. Me I talk on the phone. That. Yeah, so me I tell you so now, say. Man, break concentration now, man.
Where say man him say about Amos?
Oh, them say Amos.
Are you
Amos now. Yes, so me book some man the other day. Man a pass up, can't call him man.
Why?
And the man say Amos will never. I can't call him. He said Amos will never win. Me say why? I said Amos I get all support, man. He said no. I can tell you why. And catch me that youth in the house up a same place up a lens to this. She said you something. He said yes.
At first me I hear that of them things.
He said yes, I'm catching you now. That's why I call somebody from up in that ear. I want to pass someone tell me wrong.
That's how about you at all we and them. Yeah, well, between me and them things.
Up then come from.
Yeah, but between me still me and them man ain't a big friend in a person. Me and them man ain't a friend, you know. Me never know them man the clique and them thing, but you know when you come on to your rear admiral thing, me never you know. Between me and the only time I hear him name mentioned tonight and I Peter King tape. That's a, you understand?
No, then man, we used to go Central go work, man, like, you know, for some reason we used to go Central go work.
That's how them time in that Central.
Yeah, we don't get to man.
Say my real admiral.
Mobile man. Yeah, man. So, first year, the mobile man is talking, man.
Yeah, but them thing they are rude. Look here, let me tell you something. And you know, in case you don't know, you see police. Police tell lie upon you them thing they can't do like it. One thing with Amos still doing it. Him know work all them thing you know. Although you know say my thief to do.
Me don't know.
I tell you, man. Me and the man used to work still. The man respect me still doing as I work on them thing. Yeah, man. I mean. Yeah,
so it's a thief. Went like what?
I mean, say man, dishonest and I people them or you mix up with them thing. Yeah, you have a boy where him and Daniel Williams are family. Him dead down in Warbus. Warbus is a boy who bring in illegal. Yes. Then that the boy, we met that the boy didn't have to run with them thing. And time that the boy they come back to Jamaica, them time they and leave, you know. And them boy they get a license gun. Peter Phillips. Me I tell you, and the same boy, me I tell you say, alright. Hey, it's true, me is not a licky police. The same boy tell me right at Unsby and him thing up on the corridor, man. I tell me say, man, he must in a business up him have a asset. And him tell me say, boy, me if you come link him and them thing there. Me say, oh, me say me ain't a friend man them thing there. Cause him tell me, you know, the same boy I tell me say, he must have him boy. So me say, oh, you can't say that. And the boy laugh and say, you don't know me support you different. So me not because a man have money and them thing them run behind them and them thing there. Me know all kind of people. And look here, as much as me know people, me mix what me no dissolve on them thing there. I just mean
that. Yeah, but you know it works there. We give all kind of people fire. You understand me?
But I mean, know but look here. I mean, know what them do it still though, you know, because me no mix up with certain kind of people. You understand? No, okay. Me no go mix up with that, because them man involved in a criminality. And you know say I feel my best friend kill him though.
Warbus,
yeah, man. He's a police once BNP if you kill Warbus. I brother name one British kill him, you know. Who the money money? Yeah, man.
After me, money.
Who the money and the man want him money. Instead of pay man, him just speak. Yeah, man, $500,000 to kill him, man. So that's why I know a man become criminal. I yet still you know Warbus is a man with a dead fear that the man in and him see a man kill him. You understand? So that's why, you know, when him dead and him think the whole heap of people rejoice, because I must say, you know, them man they are friend killer. Oh, and in God, man funeral, you know, all them do it trust that.
Yeah, man. The police, they can't see how too many police are wicked too, you know. Police organization,
yeah, man. Oh, man, you're man, you know, right together, and you kill him, and then after you kill him, you go him funeral. You have to be a unconscionable person, man.
Not true.
You know, them do it trust that, man. Them kill him, man, will lend him money. You understand?
Me hear
the argument and them thing.
Yeah. And the bridge is there, Europe, and he say, I'm tell me about him.
You can't. That's why I mean, you know, a man become criminal still, you know. Because there's no honest criminal, you know. You be a criminal and trust the next man who is a criminal. When the whole owner, the first trait of a criminal, you have to be dishonest.
That's it.
So how you be friend with somebody like that? You know, that makes sense to me, you know.
The
man, them just evil here, man.
So Porter, your parents Actually, what was their profession?
Why it's so important to you?
Because you grow different from like Garrison, so how comes you not get caught up?
Well, because
I mean, so you ask me question, I'm not asking question.
yeah, man. That's why I ask you. Well, the reason being on them thing there is their background. You understand what I'm saying?
Oh, okay.
And them
and teacher people
and them education and them thing there. You understand?
Okay, so you move from the ghetto at an earlier age, you actually go till you become a police.
No, man. All right. With the move in time, in a 80. That time the war start, and then move out, got my mother country. Then after that pass common entrance, then go back and live a Waterford with my father. Then end up back. Okay. Then end up back. I see in place where I come from. Before, you understand?
Oh,
so that's why I'm gonna like stepmother. Yeah, so you understand. So that's why I spend most of my life on them thing there. Cause me not end up after me left there, me not end up back there on them thing there. So me end up back on a concrete jungle, you know.
Oh, okay.
You understand? Okay. So that's why them said never throw a stone behind you. I just saw it go on them thing there. So I just say upbringing on them thing there. If you know where you want out of life, you just stay focused and you stay on that part, you know. Because when you live in a ghetto and them thing there, the role model them I negative people them.
Yeah.
You understand?
Your peers,
yeah. So in my community like me, you know, go see them mural on the wall with me in a concrete jungle or Jonestown. Them see me as an informer. You will see a man. You see a man where you will see a Radcliffe as a man where them celebrate because he's a killer. He might kill innocent people, you understand? He might kill other people and them thing there. You know, I go see my mural and them thing there in them places. Because me an informer.
Okay.
So I just saw it go on them thing there. But you know, hey, look here. Ghetto itself is a university, you know.
That's true.
You understand? If you come from a ghetto and them thing there, you know how to live, you know, you understand? You understand?
It's so true. I get a man, they operate different from a man who born and grow in a country.
No, well, everybody in a country knows so they come from ghetto. Everybody knows so they come from ghetto. All country people know so they come from ghetto. So that shows how people have low self-esteem.
Yeah, so I don't know. At first, I born and grow in a country. It's so different from the person who born and grow in a girls.
Yeah. And people are country used to have morals and them not like criminal, but now everybody a country want to be criminal.
Alright, but I'm going to get you. To how Jamaica run now, if a person see you as a square and you run a business, it gives them that. What I mean, sometimes the criminal I rush, we say, can I walk in and take out there something? Because if you don't see as no bad people, if you don't see as no bad people, you know, they can't just walk in a store and say, hey, give me that and walk out with it. But if you know so you're connected to somebody, they not do that so easy. Like myself.
True.
So sometimes me not grow my kids, you know. But if the criminal, if you not connected to a criminal or some person in Jamaica, you when it comes to certain things, you can imagine you're in a business, brother. People will contact you, but they know you're connected.
They might
think twice. So do damn if you do. Damn if you don't.
But look, you say, well, still, I feel like political party now, one of them reward for criminality now, like PNP. Because you know, have nobody were related to Jim Brown or Claudia Massacre in a Labour Party as councillor or member of parliament. In a PNP, you have Angela Brown-Burke. Her father was the most wanted man in the 1980. Onward. From 1970, you understand? And Tony Brown daughter, Angela Brown-Burke. So when you're a PNP and you commit crime, just like how Macmillan become commissioner of police, I saw you go around them thing there. John Flash used to work up at Prime Minister office when PG are Prime Minister. So you know nothing more than that. So you know in a Jamaica and them thing there, once you're connected to criminality, you get reward on them thing there, you know.
And I feel them go on.
Yeah man, you get reward, man.
Okay.
Yeah man, you get reward, man.
Sir Porter.
Yes, sir.
When I ask you certain things, me not tell you my name, but here I talk well, and you call me name and stop. Why is a powerful man?
Why is it powerful? You wonder how me know your name?
Me not tell you my name, Bridget. And you call me name. You don't call it so like I said something. I did this to me. I said, Sir Porter, and he's
You say me not. You say you not tell me your name, but me know your name.
Yes.
So you wonder how me know your name?
No, wonder.
Oh,
okay. Assistant man, you can't do anything man.
Alright, sir, cool.
Yeah, man.
Well, you just go and take care of yourself. It's a joy talking with the man.
You too, man, and Sir Porter.
Yes, sir.
We never too old for learn.
True.
As you say, when I hear the thing, they sift through them car. You have, I like listen to your channel, you know.
Yeah.
So,
before you go no further, so you join the Patreon squad?
No, I don't even know how to do that.
So you're not savvy. When you say you're not internet savvy?
When you say we press subscribe or something like that?
It's in a thing, man. It's in a description box.
So what me that press?
Alright, you just click on the link on them thing there. If anything, me can send it to you on them thing. And if you go upon it, if you go upon the Patreon, that way you get some things where you won't see on YouTube. And the reason why we do that, we do it deliberately on them thing there. You understand?
Okay. Yeah. So more like videos and stuff like that. You don't see.
Alright, I want to tell you, say you're going to see all about the boy named Derek Spratt. You understand? Derek Spratt. Hey.
Who does that again? Who is Derek Spratt? The name?
Derek Spratt was it done for Kingston 13, man. He was like God to the people them. Look here. Derek Spratt was you saw like funny. He was a labor writer. Him come from St. James today. He was a labor writer and move from a town and turn PMP and become big. Yeah, man.
So moved to Kingston at 10 a year.
No, man, come when I'm 18. And him become bad man, you know. By default, you know. You understand?
Okay.
Because the thing is that now with Derek Spratt and him thing, him work as a security guard on a site and then give my illegal gun and I play with this and kill a man. He up on the channel to one them thing. Yeah, man. Him shoot all the a good thing you talk. Him shoot all the police from down at your place where you come from, the down Lionel Town where the police on here Kojak.
So it's what, don't I kind of do it?
No, man, he shoot Kojak at town, man.
Kingston, okay.
Kojak named Robinson.
What year he shoot Kojak?
92.
Okay.
91, 92. Yeah, man, I'm party. It depends on the channel to man, listen it, man. Cause Ninja Man give me $100,000 and him did my...
that's him spread there.
Yeah, man.
Mix up with Junior Reid and Ninja Man.
No, Junior Reid and Sandokan and them thing there.
Oh, Junior Reid and Sandokan?
Yeah.
Sprat and Ninja Man.
Sprat and Ninja Man and them thing there. Same police will come from down a country there, Clarendon, man. He man see him Tillibaugh them and all of them are friend and Natty Wink and all of them.
Tillibaugh young youth, let me tell you, man, 1991. That's how Tillibaugh young and everything. Wink them would have a big man, Wink them maybe you know them.
Yeah.
Tillibaugh
young. Bobo and them thing there. I saw him end up at jail and them thing there, the same police. When you them call him Kojak. Hey.
So
Yeah, man. Him collect $100,000 from Ninja Man. Okay. Yeah, man. Him say man sue me. Say me not. I'm telling him to sue me. Can you no, it's Kojak, man. Say man sue me. Him collect money.
What is that? Sprat.
Yeah.
He shoot Kojak. Kojak is still alive.
Yeah, man. Shoot him in him head. And him collect money. No gunman could have shoot me and me collect money. Ninja Man.
So Sprat shoot Kojak.
Yeah, the police.
Kojak take out the Victor the case.
Yes.
So Kojak anyone this morning.
Him that Jamaica, man. Him did end up now. So at the time, I want to look case, man, you know. I'm tell you some man a thief. Hey, you see, when a man a thief, no matter where you put him in, top thief. So a man like that now, him come after Kojak shoot, after Sprat shot him, you know, and him collect the money from Ninja Man. Because Ninja Man talk this, you know, in our presence, I want you to, in my presence, you know. That time Sprat that jail a foreign, you know. So Ninja Man say him give Kojak $100,000. Ninja Man is me tell you between me and you know, when Ninja Man make money.
Everything.
Yeah, man, when Ninja Man do music them time and make money. Ninja Man sometimes just come all over anywhere else And just a drive and just blow up money I give people, you know.
True, man.
I tell you, yeah, man, for real, yeah. Yeah, man, yeah, true, man, I like that.
In the police time, in kind, man, Capital, in kind.
Yeah, me don't know about them, because me never tell him thanks yet, because me never like him.
Me don't tell Ninja man thanks, but me Capital, like the man there, we used to go check the man there and the man there. So what a little thing in your pocket, officer. Respectfully guy, you know?
Well, as much as me know Ninja man, me never tell him, me never take nothing from him. Me just, remember tell you why me never like him. Him more too filthy and him not no respect for people. Him music, guy, back then remember, you understand? Although, the reason why me never harass him and them thing, me never have no, you understand? Because one police where him and him grew up, him and Rocky. But me never like him, P1.
Rocky the foreigner though?
No man, him got Jamaica. So Ninja man mouth filthy. Me don't like people who mouth were filthy and you know, for you not respect yourself, you can't respect others. Yeah, and him not a finesse about him and him thing there. Yeah man, so him talk man say him give Kojak the money and him thing there.
Kojak makes more that.
Yeah man, oh, but look here, not fool that man. But yeah no, I may show you something like funny. You know, say I seen Kojak, the man, you know, say a dog paw me call him, get all inspector. Oh, I saw the man a licky, you know. The man find out, him no collect money again, man. I saw him stay on him thing, them man, them, look here.
Before that part dead,
yeah, before him dead, I saw him go back in a uniform. I saw cowboy write document and put him back in a uniform. Find dog paw in a gun case and collect money again. A thief in police, you understand? I saw them put him back in a uniform. No man, a thief. Hey, look here. Let me tell you what him do to one thing. You have a man that sell illegal gas in a half a tree police here. Now listen to me, I tell you, that's why I don't like thief in police, you know. And the same Kojak, you know. The same Kojak shake down the man, you know. Give police and them woman and all them things, you know, gas, you know. In a half a tree. And I guess what him do now. Him get gas every day from the man, you know. And him woman, you know. And one day him go lock up the man, you know. Because him want money, you know. You see the man, they a thief, man. A dirty man, that man. Yeah, man.
Kill them so sometimes I
wonder. Yeah, man. Yeah. Hey, look here. I see people connected to the man where police, and them all call me and tell me, say, oh, I want thief in police, you know, man. Yeah, man. Because all I police in my half a tree, say they need vex when them lock up the man, you know. Yeah, man, Kojak can't come here and shit. Yeah, and they say, man, kind of them thing there, yeah. But I saw him stay. You can't change a thief. Kojak a thief, and the man is not a bad police. A thief, man.
That's a criminal.
Criminal police, you understand? And the man get back the work before the man come back as detective and get sergeant, you know, and act as DDI, you know. And I get inspector, you know. So the man say, and give the inspector and go back in a uniform for dog paw money. Licky police, thief. And them, yeah, man. But I'm retired now still, though, you know.
You retired?
Yeah, man. I don't hear Clarendon and them come from, man. All corals, man.
Cool.
Thief. Yeah, man. The man, them a Clarendon know him and them thing, man. Kojak a thief. Yeah, man. Me no like them kind of, me no like thief in police.
Police, they're Tabana the squad. It's still like work.
Me no know. Me no know.
Okay.
You understand? Corals, man. Me I tell you, man.
Kojak, what are that, man?
Yeah, man. A thief, man. Robinson.
What Robinson in?
You know, so Indian Paul Robinson.
Paul Robinson.
I'm him supposed to be friend on Facebook, you know, but the man they all corals. Hey, look here. No, I want in the police can't say me tell life on them, you know. I just saw me, it's like you me just say it as it is. You know. No, if you notice, not even PMP then can't say that. They don't say me a labor, so then can't say me a tell lie. They say me a labor, so that man say I'm gonna labor alone speak truth. You understand?
Mr. Lonesome say.
No, lonesome. Ugly some. No call him, that sound too nice. Ugly.
He's still upon anything, he's still upon it.
Me no hear, me no listen to him.
YouTube, me no listen to him.
Him not upon it, me no know. He must have on it, man. Remember say him have one only for idiot when him follow him tell. I know you man I tell all people them for I'll tell all some people upon the live as if them for go lab and choose them mother.
Man, don't see man.
Man, me I tell you.
I say lab upon the live.
Yeah, man. So them for go lab. Yeah. I boss a slave man. Yeah. Tell the people them upon live for go lab and choose them mother. Them think that.
So but how we man this FBI man apart and the FBI man in a film company? I mean, I understand this ex FBI.
Hey, yeah, it boggling mind, don't it? Someone
me just feel that them will have see the government go, so they will do anything under this earth fake get to the government.
Yeah, but now if people them not eat that, well, we know say PNP criminal organization supported them in a garrison them. Them not have no sense. Cause I remember say them can't think, you know. They were, you understand what I'm saying? So,
but like how this man FBI, right?
Former FBI.
Why not Jamaica go protest? Why not pay America?
No, because and I first that if for them I do that in America. I desecrate the Jamaican flag.
Give us Jamaica this and
that. For sure, say them are a patriot. Them are PNP criminal organization. That's why PNP no say themselves as Jamaican. You never know that.
And I say them are comrade.
Yeah, man. Them not say themselves as Jamaican, man. Them say themselves as PNP.
This man, through the people don't use him as commissioner of police. You can imagine if this man become commissioner of police.
I know say PNP first turn him down though.
I PNP first turn him down?
Yes, man. And the reason
no,
another. You know why them turn him down? Because the George Bush administration said they not to use him.
A lie.
Yeah, man. They don't know that. So you don't know say after 9/11 and them thing, him did that Saudi Arabia, you know.
So the Bush administration.
Yeah, man.
They runch.
Yeah, man. So they not.
Some checks are telling they say don't use him.
Don't use him.
Okay. You don't want to practice here and turn him, man.
Yeah, man. You understand? That's a reason why him do. Him a lick out. Then him try with the labor and them say, we not use it either, you know. But for a man that come from Waterhouse and them thing there, you don't think so the man that say things say uplift for you. They will not do that.
Man, they can see. Me don't understand them man the Bridget.
The man there real comrade, you know, man. The man in
yeah, man, real comrade, man. Undercover comrade till him bust back out.
No, man. So me wonder how him survive in the FBI if such a man will lie.
What?
The man lie with no. You know, say no shame. You know, shame. You know. No, say comrade no shame. PNP no shame.
And in this now watch him. Kind knows whatever man he might do up here. In Africa, not down Jamaica. So me say why not go to Jamaica?
No, man. I look here. I'm between me and you. Normally, when you're in a military, I like all the FBI and them thing there. You normally get you always work as a contractor with one of the big agency them.
You have to let him not do.
No, so you don't know say him a outcast and reject. I tell you that him a outcast. So that's why him no affair. That's why him no affair I run behind the PNP criminal organization. So him a use it.
What is his motive?
Remember say a money and them thing that them get paid. Alright, so between me and them thing there, the PNP them try to recruit me to with the YouTube channel, you know. I mean a lie. They depend it. They don't know say Sir P from politics what I wanna feed them boy to. So me don't know if him shake them off and them thing there. I them me don't know how truth it is, you know. Them say to me. Because when them try to recruit me and so me no I use my ask. So me ask them who what other blogger and them thing there. And film name come up. If you notice, you know, if you listen to film channel, you notice alright. If you listen, you know,
beat them.
Just listen, man. You have to understand psychology and them thing there, you know.
That's true.
Because the man, him master it and them thing there, you know. If you notice, even June and time them demonstrate against Jamaica, him never do one video against them.
Oh.
Just watch that. When time Mark Golden lose a local government election this year and say him win, he never do one video for tell the people them say I the Labour right win and not Mark Golden.
Okay.
Just watch that. look again now. Anytime them a demonstrate in New York, him never tell the people them say, boy, what the man a do, them a desecrate the Jamaican flag. Yeah, and not because them don't like the Labour government. The Labour government is not Jamaica. Them are part of they are the Jamaican government, and Jamaica, the Jamaica flag are for everybody, and for Andrew Holness and the GLP. Yes,
okay.
So he never do that and them thing there. You have to watch a little thing them, you know, and the same thing with DC. If the same thing with DC, but you have to understand, you know, so the reason why I'm not do that and them thing, him don't want to offend him PNP supporters them on the channel. A lot of them him have, you know. No, you know, so they come like more PNP watch YouTube than Labour, right? Yeah, so that's why that's it. So you have to understand, you know. In time I do things, you know, what's in it for me. So I just that and them thing there. So that I think now with him now and them thing there. So when them tell me now say him a part of them circle and them thing there, me I say what? And then now them a tell me now say if you notice, me I tell you what them tell me, you know, if you notice him never lick against we and them thing there because him a part of the circle. Only you alone a do it. So that's why they may try to recruit me. So them use somebody will know me. Cause me not a Labour friend, you know.
No, okay.
You understand? Yeah, me not a Labour friend. It's like one man who say, boy, man, Darrell Vaz or this. Me not have no Labour friend. Me used to work once, me not even know the Prime Minister. You understand? Me know Portia Simpson. Me didn't know Portia Simpson because she didn't want me for bodyguard her. But me not like politicians because they mash up my community. Me as a man, me can't see things and turn away my eye. Because no man could not come on me with illegal gun. Like
you didn't want some question.
Hold on. And before me forget all them things, if you notice even with the birth certificate with Mark Golden, say my born in Jamaica. You notice if you notice up to now, you never hear mention nothing about it. You notice?
Okay, so you cannot touch it.
Yeah, it's a look on it. So if you are fight for Jamaica, if you are fight for Jamaica and them thing, all of them things we mention, them something on a partisan, you know, that a patriotism, you know. You're a patriot, you know. When you're a patriot, you know, you're not on the side, you know. Because if you notice, you know, me beat both sides, you know.
That's true.
I'm even send a voicemail to me last week how I beat the Prime Minister and them thing there, you know. Tell me, you know. I say, wait, they say, you must say that and them thing, I just talk the truth. When the Prime Minister deserve credit, I give him and them thing there. You understand?
But about one side, you're talking about equal rights.
Yes, and if you notice when they talk about the Prime Minister, they talk about in a disrespectful way.
That are serpy.
Yeah, if you notice when they talk about him, you notice it. But when they talk about the big belly white man, him talk about him in a revere way.
Okay.
If you notice, he never disrespect the white man, you know.
Okay.
Never, you know.
You ever said the big belly white
He
man?
never disrespect because look here, him, you know, his platform is bigger than mine, you know. So you see, if him stays so and tell the people them, evil. So I that for sure. So when a man a idol and them thing, you know, when a man is paid and bad for, them can't go against them masters, you know. So if he wasn't bought and paid for, first, anytime him a demonstrate against Jamaica in Miami, he would have come out and lick out pan. You know, so if he did come out and lick out pan them, that would have done. Yeah, because you know, say because you know, say him have, you know, say theme followers them are diatic, are cult people them, you know.
A true man,
it's a cult. Then what? You know, see when I tell me, you know, say over 20,000 people will just left my channel because a man asked me, and I say, no, them man they are not a patriot, them man they are hustler, them man they are scammer. Then I say one of them thing, and then me outline the thing them Jamaican people don't like for your truth, you know.
A true man, they don't like.
Yeah, man, and them say, boy, oh me bad man, man a bad man. Me I tell you the truth, me I protect, me I tell you say you get scam, and me I tell you show people them say, look, if the man was a patriot, you can't stay and say you want to fix the country. And you only go off a little man, them Vibes Cartel, and the Vibes Cartel, they are not the problem. The problem is 63 people in the parliament.
Yes.
Murder used to be just murder. No man get no 8 to 10, but 8 to 12 years. Even all in time the PNP them, I say, now my woman in Dana Scott, Matley, you know, the whole of PNP them say, you know, so figure people 50 years in prison for murder, might as well hang them. Up to now, him never do one video and support the government for 50 years, you know.
Matley never said that.
Oh, Matley said that?
But me say that, so them get 50 years for murder.
No, him say if them forget 50 years, if they are going to give somebody 50 years for murder, might as well hang them.
Oh, so obviously you need to forget them then.
Yes, and if you notice, him never do no video in support of the government. And what me say, the government has support the 50 year, you know, and the government is supporting the people of Jamaica when they support the 50 year, you know. Him never come out and do that because the party wasn't for the party was against it. So at the same time, Mark Golding out there and promote and advocate say boy, him want 8 to 12 years he murder them. At this channel, it depends on the channel, man. I mean, it just look on, yeah, man. Just look on it, man. Are we every day depend it until the PNP them cave in? Nobody else now do it. Cause them afraid.
Mr. Golding, this I say some things to you have it in a power. Yeah. But you don't care to me, you know.
Then no.
You don't love no Jamaican people you sing there.
All right, thank you.
It's
thank
power
you.
I want.
Thank you.
Them power crazy.
Thank you.
That me hearing come out and talk about the federation, man. Yo, they talk about this federation X-man there.
Yep.
And they said no party leader never come out and why you politicize the police force, Bridget? We talk about looking to with this boy.
Yeah, man, Ruan James. Then they destroy them. Remember, all right. Our Ruan James should have lose work from 2011.
Yeah.
You understand? I'm going to campaign. All right. So that for sure say PNP is a criminal organization. And you notice, who never talk about it either.
Sure.
All right. So you see, but when you educate the people them on them thing, them 80 and them thing. But hey, like you see, like for me and them thing, me no care ZELLE. Me I go tell you, say some things, you know, me give credence, you know, you understand? But
yes.
Me know the real problem for fix the country, and with the little boy them we fire gun, they are not the problem. I 63 people in the parliament.
No.
You understand? And that's the problem still, you know. Murder used to be murder, you know. PNP mash up Jamaica, you know. Me I tell you, you know. Murder used to be murder. A man about, a man forget. The boy when him Danville Palmer Mark Golding march, I parole him the pan for murder, you know. You ever hear nothing like that yet?
That I want down a jungle.
Yeah, and him get shot and him thing there, where them kill him girlfriend. Them kill her.
Where them kill him girlfriend? Recently?
It up on the channel, man.
Oh.
And the girl mother now, she a councillor at Jonestown, you know. She live at Benbow Street, you know. And look here, I sell she at Jonestown, you know. I sell all farmer ticket, you know. To see people them at jungle and Jonestown, you know. 400 grand, you know. Cause say Mark Golding say some man forget some Dan forget apartheid money. And them say they love poor people. They must sell the same people them in a community farmer ticket.
In a same poor people.
You don't know them the people them, man. A scavenger them, man.
Mark Golding say some Dan forget money all the time.
Yeah, you understand? So if you not give them the money, you not get the farmer ticket.
Hey, you know we don't say PNP dangerous. When the man them create a story and the man them, at least we just feel this thing when this girl beat Peter Bunting. The man then talk to the premise that they were the woman.
Yeah, man.
Gonna breed. But I'm gonna pop again.
Hey, them wicked. Hey, but look here.
The man can become tell a lie till it become truth.
No, man. I saw them. You don't know them the people, Virgin. A PNP community, me know them, you know. So that's why I tell you, say me know them operate, you know. Hey, look here. When me a police, you know. A 40 people give statement against me out of one shooting them that are 2 weeks before Sprat dead, you know. So that's why that anger that was there, ox them go store it up when they kill Sprat. You understand? Yeah, 2 weeks before Sprat dead, me involved in a shooting near to which part Sprat control. Out of 33 and 35 lane. A 40 people give statement against me, you know, say the boy, you know, when me knock, you know. Say him never have nothing on them thing there, and I mean, yeah. So literally, you know, me don't know this boy for other men, and I mean, you understand what I'm saying? And a 40 people give statement, 40. And look here, how many charge now? Them time them at commissioner of police, you know. You see man life, you see man where the other boy, all of the wound them where the boy get. And that the boy there in a handcuff when he wanted for 2 murder, you know. And that the boy they save me for no charge, you know. That the boy wanted for 2 counts of murder, you know. Him with handcuff, you know, give statement, you know, and talk what me, you know. One statement against 40 people. How you think one statement stand up against 40 people? Because the one statement is the victim of what happened.
Oh,
You understand? One.
Yes,
You understand? Yes. So I some wicked. You know them people, them man. 40 people. Imagine you. So hey, if all the other boy did in your all house, if all house in dead man, me that a prison to the day.
No shit.
You understand? You don't know them people are wicked man. Hey, when Daryl Vaz, when Daryl Vaz, all of a sudden you know, Daryl Vaz and bigger for that big friend you know. Hey, one thing with bigger Ford come like war, you know. I just money them man deal in. The man they are corrupt, you know.
Yeah, man.
Although them, everybody knows the bigger Ford that Pnplgbtq thing there. And the police, you know, I just in the last and them thing there, man. Him start lock up thief in police and them thing there. Man, I say wait, how bigger Ford for do that animal thief?
Animal thief.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But one thing still. Apart from me not nothing against him still per se, you know, but it's just that them man just me not like you know supposed to police and you're a criminal and them thing, but I just saw him roll on them thing there, you know, you understand? You know see it. But me and him never have nothing on them thing there. Them man they know me and me know him and them thing there, you understand? You know see it.
So you get a visa man from Mandela.
Oh, Ford?
Visa man some before I got torn. Me say why? If anything, I carry around package before, and if anything,
which visa man that?
I'm popular man, man. No, I'm Caliban. So he said, "Ford, if he said if you come drive the vehicle, I'm afraid that if them take him into custody, me can drive the vehicle go back down.
Yeah,
but eventually then go so." And for them normalize some things in our police force. So, as a young police, go and afford them. They say, Koke. I want to say that Texas name.
Cornwall
and them man.
You mean a cadet, you know?
I was called cadet.
You come from St. Thomas.
Okay.
And Jericho's in here and all them things there. All the man do all them things there, Rasta.
No, Jericho. Empty.
No, but me no know. But me a man, some things, them things, but I me just clear out my stay. Me a old fashioned man and them things. Them things they never. Me no see all a man have a plastic bag over head and all them things there, and them clothes are wet up and. All them can't get. I'm no money. I go see me blow my ears. Me not go put on a tattoo on my skin. Cause you understand what I'm saying? Cause if daddy want blue all me, gotta do that. Yeah, I know fashion. I've dumb. Because hey, look here. I saw it going on your skin in a largest organ in. So once you disrupt it in, anything when you put in the Senate, that's why people have tattoo in that. Them not allow them to give blood.
Yes, guys.
But right now, see them and say, boy, a rear admiral can't give blood. Me no want the blood. me no want the blood, Rasta.
So you know, see one time when you would start make money. Man start make money, saying come down here. Man put on a wig. Just like Elvis Presley. You know what? Sunshine sitting where a woman put on her chest.
Yeah.
The man have that and a jacket and everything. I can't believe it. I'm telling you, this is money can't make a man get respect. I'm my money and the man them say, a batty man, that's in everything. In which I'm a virgin still.
Them say my rear admiral. When I use them rear, they still doing it. Them say my rear admiral.
Yeah, they say my rear admiral because of that. Let me say, boy,
so me the rear admiral for you are a lie. He must rear admiral are a lie.
He's a lie, virgin, but all in dress.
I just saw him dress on it. Yeah, I true. Hey, still in it. And for real, man. You have hey, and look here. If you notice, all of the man them will bore them ears. Most of them. You notice them behave kind of feminine.
Yes.
And the man them will plait up them ear too. You ever notice it?
Nose, Bridget.
Boy, me I tell you, yeah. All the bug of the mind, the part there. When me say,
man say Tupac.
No man, Tupac are rear admiral, man. You are rear admiral, man. But I saw one of them things there. Black people make excuse to people because them like them. Yeah, it's just like how Buju Banton and them thing there with the coke business. A man say him bun. I look for all Mutabaruka and them man I say them bun cokes. And the man they are different Buju Banton, big time. So you have to wonder which part for them morals there and them thing there.
Oh, like Muta.
Yeah, Mutabaruka and Rasta. Them man they are dread.
Hey, Jesse Gender, they tell me say Muta woman are the biggest lesbian. Shall I tell Jesse? I will tell you.
That are before him then. That's before Jesse done that then?
Yeah, man, Jesse a boy, man. Jesse tell me.
I kill him.
He had a tumor in a back eye socket. Yeah.
And he never did know.
He know. So here I know Jesse don't want cut in ear to do the surgery. Cause them tell Jesse we have to go cut off the crown. No, Rasta can't cut in crown. So Rasta Jesse was a bright boy, but at the same time I don't see a bright man make that decision.
No, so you have to understand a theme philosophy that you know. You can't understand a theme belief that kind of Rasta and them thing there. So I just saw it go. You have to respect him for that.
Them go cut the thing from a different angle, and the tumor leak out the liquid in his socket and the eye and cause it to blind. Because him dead is 20% in my show. 20, you know what last year.
In say 20%?
It's 20% out of his eye at the time. Till one time he not see nothing. And get young baby in a virgin, not him age. This is a 1 year old daughter, I see that
time was in the 60s, man.
I mean, not quite, but yeah, 50s, not a few 60s.
So you're in a virgin and them thing there?
Yes, man, I'm in a virgin.
So you got him funeral and them thing there?
No, we never go.
So you say, him never like Muta still do it, you know?
No, man, you like Muta.
Yeah, man, him say Muta used to suck on them thing there, you know that though?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you know, them in the ear, man, him say Muta a suck at them thing there. And say the one who say, you know one who say, him say, say Muta no like thing there. What boy I name Damien Crawford. And you know say Jesse Jenda say because I two the two of them a fight over Rex Netherford. you know
so Muta so that just say never hear with that one.
Yeah man, him say Damien Crawford one day. Damien Crawford sketch Muta Baruka and Rex Netherford a dance up on you.
Damien Crawford catch
Muta Baruka say yeah man say Muta Baruka dance and Rex Netherford. I saw the two of them like cause when Rex Netherford did, you know, a Damien Crawford, I drive him Benz, you know, and I know a Muta, you know. So, yeah, man, I say.
I never see Damien with no woman, I'm never even talking about.
I'm a young baby, sincere, man. Yeah. You don't know them have to fight it and them thing there. You understand? Yeah, man. Just, man, say Muta, man, say Muta and Rex Netherford a dance.
I same thing, man. They say about Paul. Me frighten me. Say man, a young baby in already.
No. Hey, between me and you, when I not you want to believe it, them man they a big real man. Them me see picture with the man. Me see picture with the man and little boy in a bed, man. That a before them kill the girl. And that's why him kill the girl. Cause the girl in a leak the thing them. You know, so Francie dead, you know, see nothing more come out, and you know, you're nothing about it again.
Jesus.
Yeah, man. That's why he make them kill her. That's why him. Cause a girl right there in the Navy, you know, Leo there, you know, she a sponge, you know. So
she a sponge.
Yeah, man. Him get her to do it, man. Hey, the man they are smart, you know, man. Get the woman to kill the woman, man, and the baby.
So listen, what I say to you, man. And they not calling him. They can't call him.
Oh, and him a PR lawyer for you, make she get food 3 times per day. And look here, you know, say ugly some them know a Mark Gold in them not like him though, you know, so they don't like Paul well though.
Some years.
Yeah, man. So what? Hey, at them, you know, say people them are. Yes. But yet,
this thing kind of have too much pressure upon him.
Yeah, but yet, you know, you don't say that about Giles and Sylvia. Cause him in a party see him, you know, Sylvia, right now.
Yeah.
And them not kick him out, and I murder him charge. I murder him charges, you know, man. Yeah, man. Philip Paulo, that big rear admiral, man. Now play with them, man. The man they put the body up in a ear and fling it, man. The amount of time the man they stab it before that drop. Especially little boy and them thing. I see big man in a white brief with the little boy them in a bed. And I say, wow. Yeah, I thought with Rex Netherford. Yeah, man. Hey, them say when them dead in a motor, say you bitch, yo. When Jesse dead, motor say you bitch, yo.
That's a motor.
Yeah. So him say, yeah, man.
Oh God.
Hey, sometimes some man, say something impromptu, because I something in them brain, So when him hear say the man, when him hear say the man dead, him say, boy, I'm sorry for you. Him say, oh, that bitch.
I mean, you say, well, that Jesse brother died since week, the doctor one. No, saying come out a good breed of family.
Up at same place up on New York there?
No, man, Jamaica.
What kill him?
There. I don't know, I'm going to say, I don't know if it's true, I don't know. They say drop out.
Wow.
So in a weekend, yeah.
What Portland them come from?
No, man, down a race course, man.
A Clarendon, okay.
Yes, man, down a race course, down a Hayesfield.
Oh, okay.
Right, that's so.
Boy, the man.
They go know the family.
Boy, him did have a malignant brain to you, man. A long time, him in a backlit. So, how much you think they left?
Oh, Jesse? I won't leave him, I don't know the exact, but we know about the young baby.
One thing, man, he never ramful bonfire for motor. I don't know what our motor doing still doing.
Yeah, I don't know what.
Our motor doing?
Well, I don't know. He's a man who just come up with some things more than a year and listen and say, what is it, Jesse? You must say, come on the phone for hours,
Oh, you know him good.
Yeah, he must say, more we go to Jamaica, go open a security firm.
He want to open a security firm down there?
Yes, there's a Jamaica. And I said, Muta, you say a good idea because he's a PR man. The thing will take off, You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but me don't know. This is, it don't happen. Since everyone go to Jamaica, open a security firm.
So in Berry, up in Berry?
Yes, up in there.
In the talented still,
Yeah, man, since week, in girlfriend in a record, could give me first me that truth.
What Jesse do?
Yeah.
The man in a real Rasta still do, Jesse Gender.
Yeah,
man say, boy, Jesse Gender say Muta a dance with Rex Negaford and him say, yeah, man. And say, I saw Muta like Damien Crawford, because Damien Crawford come catch him. So I say, I compete for Netherford. And I say, Muta wife, Muta a big sucker thing.
Yes, man. He said Muta wife is a big lesbian virgin, a biggest lesbian in Kingston. And he said, Jesse call him, Muta call him and say, Jesse, oh, may I have brother? And I say, no, nothing, King. And I said, we have them things that about my wife. Yeah, some here, brother. How can you tell me?
So Muta, let's say nothing more.
Muta, no man, Muta, I said nothing about some brother. Yeah, brother, yeah.
Yeah, man, you never run people of fire for Muta, man. Yeah, sir. I want to with him still learning, no stark it as it is,
Yeah, man, straightforward.
You understand? I just said, hey, look here, life, you can't stay so stiff about life and them thing. You have to have like a fun, you know what I'm saying?
Not true, man.
You understand?
I say the man I'll carry, it's in carrier. I put on weed, go get PG and him say, PG, take it and get Delano Franklin. I say, not tell me. Say, we have to virgin. He say, yeah, man, we can't go up there. And him say, like you say, PG said, no.
PG smoke weed,
Yeah, but he never take it at the time. But they didn't go at the Jamaica house.
Yeah, man, them man used to smoke it, man. All when Michael, in his 70s and them thing. And them man, they radicalize the people, they mash them up, man. Yeah, man, PMP, man, I tell you. The labor right them, one thing with the labor right them still, although PMP them violent, the labor right them, one thing with them if you do them nothing, them not forgive you, And them come at you and them thing there, you understand? But they not trouble people. Like how the PMP just go around and trouble people, the labor right them not do that. That's the difference with them, You understand? Boy, I tell you, Jesse Jenner, man. Me say the man talk, man, and the man say Muta and Rex. I mean, Muta talk about it, and Muta say who started it, and say, him say, lie, me and Netherford never that. Him say him write something, and the man perform his thing them. Cause everybody knows Netherford a rear admiral, So when by saying that now, you don't know, say man, him say Muta a rear admiral.
Yes, kind of make me Rex never further. I perform this thing then.
Yeah, man.
So one time I hear him say, Oh, them and Carver for trading him locks, Bridget.
Yeah. Hey.
So they have a thing for each other, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You understand?
Yeah, they man say one mood on top of for trading locks.
Hey, you know, I wish Rasta, Muta cause bad do I run the name. I'm Fantan Moja, you know. Muta say my swim, you know.
When say about Muta again? Muta can't
so Muta did there with Cindy Brew experience. That's a Bob, you understand? And him have to say boy maybe I'll Muta Damian Junior Gagmali father.
Yo, Rasta, you ever hear that before? Yeah, man, I'm a big man.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm sick, you want to continue Martinique. You know if you come out, you know.
Who that?
If Anton Moja, I'm go for a show over there and get sick. Never even do the show. Yeah, man, I'm sick, bad.
I want to him.
I don't know, you know. I read the article, so they keep a festival up in Martinique the other day. Some old parties come. Before the show, him fell sick.
Him dropped down. Me never know that.
Yeah, man. So I make him still there.
Fantan Moja, man. I St. Elizabeth him come from. Them say him have heart attack. Heart attack him have.
Yeah, man. We're going to go to a police nephew. Very Davis, my inspector Islamabad is there. St. Elizabeth. The elders where he come from.
Oh, elders, that's around silo, you know.
Yeah, when you go Magati and go
yeah, man, I used to work at silo, man. But remember say Muta did say the man they are arrested, the man ain't too much beef and them thing there.
Yes, so they always have something for each other.
Yeah, man. And Muta said no Rasta not supposed to have big belly. Yeah, man, and that's in the same man. Him said no Rasta not supposed to have big belly. Yeah, man. I will say some talk about them sexy ass. Oh, that's a Fantan Moja and I tight pants them.
So they were sexy ass. And if you say I will rest I tell you.
Yeah, man, in the ramp for bonfire upon them, man.
Yeah, man, I will. You know, see, I will partake in not women know fancy. You know, them ungodly rasta this. I tell you.
Yeah, man, the rasta them terrible now, man. Yeah. Well, anyway, my brother, it's a joy talk with him, man. Yeah, man.
True,
and,
man.
yeah, tell your boy Tillibaugh for call me, man. Make him call on them thing there. Him not go call. You think say man call? I may have so much things for him.
Yeah, man, no one get involved.
So what? When him complain to you?
No, man never talk.
Okay.
Years.
But you say you say.
In myself, remember, so me know half the thing, you know.
Yeah.
So I said, the man, you know, the man have more call. I say, give back the man the money, you're gonna go dead. You get me? I say, but not everybody I'm gonna tell that.
But why the people them respect Natty Wink more than him? Why?
Natty Wink. You don't know my boy.
Okay. So I just see him friend them. I see him friend them.
If me grown this, I don't go ask somebody up to that. You don't want to say, how can I tell you? Who they read? Yeah, the man I say, wish nothing, man. Wish nothing is a man hide behind telephone and I get people killed, brother.
When the dad Jamaica, you know, say him have police a bodyguard him, you know that? When
he grown?
Yeah, man.
You're afraid. If
you know the police said, man, but him not a license gun. Tillibaugh have license gun.
But I said nothing can nobody, Bridget. Nothing can just one youth where we grew up and can do some construction money. So rob people when you work, the people them no pay the man them up here and give them argument because they intimidate them down the yard. They tell you. Yeah, man, robbing people in Bridget. Never hear the Tillibaugh rob nobody yet. Never hear that, brother.
Yeah. Never
hear that. Natty Wink is just a little punk to the behind of a phone and I get people killed. Man can't get Jamaica show himself in the I ask you, Bridget. He cannot show himself. Anyhow, every day Tillibaugh them depend on farm and the all boat. If you say them man involved in nothing, nobody no kill them. Them man can't go farm with police, Bridget. The police must have duty to go to whoever. Natty Wink cannot show up himself. He can bet say him can't go water lane by himself.
But thing they go down there all the while, can have license. Him have the boy them with the AK and the M16 them. So him have the most strength down there and them thing.
But listen what me I say to you, Sir Porter.
Yeah.
It's a Tillibaugh can't control the whole of his soup. So you know a lot of police.
Yeah.
So if a man see a man that he can call, we say, we could call Mocha then. Mocha, come down here now, see some man on the roof with the right.
No, Mocha for investigate police and politicians, but you understand?
So I could call Sita, you know. I call Sita. He say, Sita, see some man there, prime, wait. Come down here, don't tell nobody. I watch you then come. You crazy man. Think about it. Remember say you are said it, you know.
Yeah.
Say the man them a follow back and you feel say the man then I go. So you want to tell me saying control every police? No, you know.
I don't have a police, but you have licky police and them thing there.
For a long time from we did licky.
Before we join the force.
Yeah, you know, go stop off that.
Yeah man, licky police and them thing there, and Wanga got and them thing there.
You say them kids, they say wink. You see what I tell you? So you see what I tell you? So you hear what they say? People that respect wink. Wink, the behind full of kill people. You cannot show. A man can't tell last time say wink. Tell wink to go a race course and I go a water lane. I tell him to go alley. Wink could have never last a minute, Bridget. He can't do it. Go away, man. Brooklyn, man, I hide, Bridget. Man, I'm shopping, man, I rob people, Bridget. Man, pay you the work you the man and pay them, Bridget.
But you can't do that, man. You can't do that on them thing. I'm on work you pay him, you know.
When man I work for Tillibaugh, them I pay them, Bridget. Because nobody go call him. Wink them is just a little bush boy from here. Yeah. Hide behind the phone and get people killed, brother.
So why am I do that? Why am I get people to kill? For what? What's the reason? A criminal them a kill or what?
Yes. The last one then kill him, brother. Them kill him, brother.
Them kill Tillibaugh, brother. Wink, brother.
Wink, brother. Yes. Mix up in some court business or something like that. In chat taxi man trying to buy them thing there. And the man they know say have it. Come kill him and take him, man.
And take away money?
Take away whatever and go buy. You get me answer to you? Yes. So the man then lick him where? Lick where, brother. So you feel say a man can go up in a wink house if they well respected. Wink has some bunch of all thief in boy front told in their house. So
the man them do the man them go in a female house and do that?
Yes.
Wow.
The man taxi man go do their business, the brother. And the man him see him taxi and say the same man them where they man him go do it. And you know back walk him man and go, yo man come back very and lick you kill him. And he start a killing. He start a set of killing. Kill my brother.
So who the kill Wink brother back then?
I say a man down there see a man them from down the way with man them go buy whatever. You get me?
Oh, so you see him and then we kill back the man and we kill him, brother.
Yes, and it set off a chain of killing. The taxi man dead. The man with them security we follow the man. You understand?
Yeah. So it never worth it then, because so much people dead, you know.
No, but you can't even care that. Remember saying, brother, money, I spend money, man, I hungry money, I'm not a man, I hungry money, you can't kill him, brother, says. So, the man when they said do it, and like a cool boy, they go kill back at the boy.
What him name?
Sean. Then go kill him, and then go kill the taxi man, and I still not killing after that. I cause the whole heap of killing. Wink them and wink them wink them don't just that alone. Cause they accuse wink them of killing one next youth.
So what kind of thing would Wink and so Wink and him and Tillibaugh big friend too?
No, really them different world, them man, they are two different world. Two different world. Wink and other man there in England, no problem.
Oh, Wink and Bobo.
Wink and them man, no problem. See what you get in that.
But Wink, but I better not go to prison for 15 years for Bobo man and Bobo no help him.
A Wink. Stop telling people that put the story.
I wink I prison for 15 years.
So the same gun kill for about several murder, Bridget.
Hold on.
I'm going to go somewhere about 45 minutes, but then 45 minutes to jump on. So I said,
so you said the man got prison for 15 years. That was short, fat brother.
I don't know. But
from Lionel Town.
He shot fat brother, a taxi driver. Wink, taxi driver. And that the man they call Wink name. So he documented, you know. The gun where they catch one you to go and gun to for several murder in this in the ear. A Wink man. So some people you have to be careful what people tell you. So when the police them say a bobo, but them say a man go prison for bobo for 15 years at Jamaica. And bobo no help him. I Wink them at the nurse. The boy that prison figure. The brother come out of prison, man. You know. I tell the same come out of prison. And him a raise ag. Yeah man, the brother will go prison for Bubba. Him a raise ag now and them things. Where you got prison? Jamaica? Yeah man, I'm a foreign guy. Jamaica ain't go prison for man. Oh okay, well that the man where you say now, they catch one taxi boy. Where go up and works. I win. You can get how much a year? Almost 50 a year, yeah. 50 a year? Yeah man. You know hear about the then catch one taxi driver and next youth. Yes, I cheer them. Yeah man, the gunman sitting there. So I wink, the man call Wink name. Wink nervous. Wink can't feel. So man call Wink name. So that's a matter of documented proof. Oh, so that's why when him come to Jamaica, you know the police when name our Clark's booty. You know the police there? Yeah man, Nelson boy. Yeah man, and Nelson brother them say. Nelson, big swoop, the brother. No man, the assistant commissioner. You know what go on, so you ask me that. You know everything. But them say him bodyguard Wink when Wink there Jamaica. Well, yeah, news to me now. You can't down there here they come from. Down there here they Wink used to deliver. Yeah, so cause them say Clark's booty was special first. No, it was special. I don't think so. Yeah, man. And bright boy, man, and Manchester High School, you go, why not too special? Well, I don't, look here. Them say, is red seam, right? Why would he go in at the blue seam? Then I start going to hey, look here, I have a cousin in a soldier, and then in turn blue seam, then in turn red seam. I don't know. And that the man know a big teacher now and him thing there. Well, a vice principal. That the man, you understand? So you know see, him see that eradication and him thing there. I don't know. I never ask him why him left for work. Cause me and him in a police and him thing there. Me don't know why him left for work. Me can't tell you say me know say must be some shooting or something like that. But him left for work. After him left for work and him thing there. Him going him go to school and going to teach. That's sure, you see. Clark's booty was straight to Red Sea. Oh, okay. That's sure. Yeah, that's sure. And they come from where my grandparents come from. So. Manchester? Yeah, man. So me and say. Egbert Nelson. And you know, so me and Egbert Nelson are constable together. And me a penny, yeah, man. Hey, the man the thief too, you know, man. Yeah man, the man used to ride a S90 man with police seize and ride guy me out of Manchester as constable. In brother? Me I thought the one that get assistant left as assistant commissioner of police. Egbert, yeah. Egbert, yeah man, me and my constable together man. And you know say him have one woman, we have one only for pitney for him though. Me don't know if him wife. Yes man, me know, yeah man. Yeah man, I was for the man live a red dirt, you know. My guy man he had one night, you know, you know, I still. That up in the hills you go. Yeah man. Yeah man. Where the young place sell up, right? But you have to give him credit still for your man, you know. I don't know if he did still with the woman and them thing there. You understand? I think so man. Persia, they call him Persia. But he never did. He never did a hotel and somebody thief and gun from him. I lie. If my memory serves me, me and the most hey, look here. Between me and you, I show you all life fun. My assistant commissioner now. Him retire, man. Egbert retire? Yeah, man. Him gone one as ACP. Hey, look here. When me a constable, you know, them did one. Me I tell you, one assistant super did name. Boy, me just bald brother name. One grey head brother. The man was labor right, you know. Police. Yeah, man. Them what him name Daz? Daz him name. I think say name Owen Daz or something. I used to live out of him. Yeah, the man him kind of have bow leg. The man they never like me, you know.
And one time I lock up two women, you know, from racetrack, Jamaican.
Maybe.
Them spitting on one policeman face. The man neighbor and cut him in him face with a home sweet home. Yeah, man. And me and Nelson go lock up with people and I have to wipe up some lick pan them in there, that back name.
Where the police near? One tall police?
No, man, him dead, man. Him near Lance Anderson.
Okay.
Him did that central. I mean, yeah, man, I tell you, say, police, you know, say, I have to go court and defend it by myself, you know, man.
And Nelson not get involved?
No, sir, Nelson not come to court. But guess what? You see that happened Sunday, you know, and you know, say, I agree with them. And the man, I never go for suspension, man, interdiction card. Yeah, man, card Daz. One night, the girl mother did there with Daz. So he have to suspend me and grave them say and them thing there and my man named Winchester Brown. You understand? Them say if them are interdict me, them have to go interdict Nelson because Nelson beat the woman too.
Oh, okay.
So I just basket then want to hear why the man eat because the man say me a peep, say me a jungle. So that the man say, you know. One brother named Daz, man, Owen Daz. So a long time politics all years, you know.
That police force.
You understand what I'm saying? And me as young police, and I police, you don't know, XP record them time, something happened to a police, you know, you understand?
Take off fame.
Yeah, man, I have to defend it, man, and I have to go a court and them thing there and defend it. The police not come a court for the unlawful wounding. You understand?
The police not come?
No, come on. Him not come. The police a girl them spitting on him face right in front of me and cut him in him face with a glass bottle.
Oh, no. And him not turn up a court neither.
You know, you hear me say, man? Man left me out there for left me out there. I mean, I have to defend it.
So the ex-assistant commissioner come?
No, sir, Nelson nothing come a court. Him nothing write a statement. And him beat the woman them to it. Him beat the woman them to it. And I have to defend every. I mean, I second youngest police and them thing. Because the other police him did young army. Because he was special at the time. And then
Nelson?
No, man. The police was Anderson, Lance Anderson. Okay. So I just saw them thing there, you know.
Before you hang up, more ask you one question. One police used to do up a vineyard town, one tall black guy. But the other day, me seem like him as deputy commissioner of police. Got me surname. Here calling him Mac.
A tall black brother.
Yeah, man. In 90s, he used to do. There was a detective up a vineyard town there. I me see him the other day.
Oh, MacArthur Sutherland.
I see one?
Yeah, man, I'm an assistant commissioner. You know, say best and the most honest police we have in our police force now.
You know, we used to watch him in demeanor from him back then. It was a different police.
Yeah, man. But you know, police, you know, say, I'm going to do a video last week I put up with Owen Ellington and everything there. You know, say enough police don't like him though.
Why?
Because through my honest police. You don't know, so for your thief police don't like it. You don't know that. Because you understand. A good police. MacArthur Sutherland, yeah, man.
Sutherland.
Him should I get commissioner of police, you know.
Yeah, man.
But you don't know, you don't know, say nepotism around them. Them say actually my PNP, that's why they don't give him. Because if them give him, if them give him, them say my lock up Patrick Bailey, which is Prime Minister lawyer, so them have to protect him, you know.
So then why they got lock up Patrick Bailey now?
So why? You say nobody lock him up? From when that.
Oh, Philip, did not house that killing.
I easiest murder for charge anybody for. We're not busy about the politics. Justice will deal with.
Politics can't stop that for him not get arrested, no?
Oh, then the police. Remember say the initial at the time. Remember who was commissioner of police? Owen Ellington. You understand? And Andrew Williams was the prime minister, and then the government changed and them not do nothing about it. Cause remember say him connected. Remember say you have to understand, you know.
So him is still an attorney?
No, him get them ban him. Them disbar him. I mean, the man supposed to lie. Them a Jamaica thief, man. Them a thief people money.
Oh, with money problem.
Yeah, always. You understand? Them finger fearing, finger submit them. You understand?
You want to see so much lie and get this bar in Jamaica. So just think about it, lie.
Jamaica criminal paradise.
Paradise with you.
Yeah, man. Me can't stop say that. And well, still, you know, we kind of whether or not you like Andrew Wallace or not, you know, say I want the best government in terms of when it come on to the least corrupt government since 1989, though, you know, though.
True, though.
Yeah, man. So anybody that talk about corruption,
have to take them. Yeah, man. Body have to take them. Yeah, and go on with them. I like that.
Whether you like him or not, you have to give him that credit on him. But PNP now do that.
You know, and he had a power. The PMP, then we have the people in my linger, no care about it.
No, man, the PMP is a criminal organization.
Yeah, man, when Andrew come, just like this man from Polava, the MP, face the man there.
Oh,
Warmington make his speech and he said, come on, and take with the position from him. And say,
yeah, man, but look here, I'm between me and you still do, you know. Whether or not you want to believe it, you know. You say, if Warmington is best attack dog, them have in a Labour Party, you know.
Yes, man. Yes.
No, hey, all we are going, you know, all our politicians, them, you know, I email PMP them, because guess what now? I'm thinking, gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. All we are going on them thing, man. Warmington is only politician will PMP them for that. Because him, female no lazy, you know, man.
Yeah, true.
And when him talk truth, you know.
Yes, man.
Hey, look here. Hey, you see the brother named Julian Robinson. Hey, if him ever get up on Warmington skin and I make Warmington talk in a parliament and say, oh, me never met them kill no police me, you know.
What is it?
No, me say if all Warmington if all go out say that one day, cause anything we say in a parliament, them can't sue you, you know. Say, oh, you can't chat to me, you know, cause me never met them kill none of my police them yet. Cause you know, so one police named Courtney Simpson, where he's a bodyguard him, they make Julian Robinson make them kill him. One detective sergeant. They don't know so far you got a protective you don't know so PMP is a criminal organization. I want police named Rocky Simpson, one old brigadista. Because them issue gun on them thing and him go back now and go tell Rocky Simpson about protective service and them say the police are dangerous, you know. Yeah, I forget with them and I saw them kill him. I see him police kill him. I see him police say him and them work. Them drop him off and by him turn him back, them shut him up. And then them yeah man, I've seen police kill him. And them claim say them the police ever drop him off, you know, them not hear the shot, you know. And then them kill him. You understand? Yeah man. I saw it go on them thing. You don't know, hey, me don't know how a man become criminal and me don't know how a man, you understand? The PMP them dangerous man. Remember say a PMP kill Ryan again, you know.
Yeah.
Ryan again bodyguard kill him, you know, Corporal White, you know, you didn't know that?
Yeah.
Yeah man, a White kill him man. But
a Bingy White?
No, no being a white man. Him did dead to man. White did dead to, but him shot Ryan again in him back I made him bodyguard.
Bodyguard?
Yeah man. So we don't know if it was deliberate or intentional or accident. You understand? But I'm bodyguard kill him man. No, labor right, you know. And you know, so a brother in MIU did contact me and say, you know, I'm calling but him did there at the time, you know. Him still in America and them thing, you know, because him was there. So him now tell me the full story and them thing, you know. Or them
what am I virgin from? Where I'm coming from? I talk where so am I virgin? And I said that's over school from home. No, stop where
you want to start about me?
Yeah, I will discuss topics. I even go.
Alright, my brother, let's go and take care of yourself.
Alright, yeah, my respect.
Yeah, man, alright, cool, yeah, alright. At least you defend that. When name Tillibaugh, you say you don't know him as them kind of man there. So.
No flaw, man. Anything else, me don't know about that.
Oh, yeah. Young. Oh, so when you say him, so him the hustle pan that and them thing there.
Oh.
You know, when you say, but them not say, but a year now, you know, say, all the fishermen, them tell me, say, if a man will file any court down there and them thing there, you have to give him.
Listen what I say to you.
A fisherman connected to Koke, tell me that and them thing.
Listen what I say to you. Me a fisherman. And me they go buy fine, whatever.
Yeah.
I have to find somebody who me feel safe to deal with.
Yeah.
Because I can't say it to anybody, not you.
True. Because they tell them police friend and for gun thief.
I'm going to kill them.
Because you know, so the police are thief.
So them there's something they know. People, remember say, fear man, I must a man will find it, go tell you, say, I hear me and deal with it. Can nobody now know who find it or who find it? Because remember say, gunman don't get two now in a bridge. Remember say, think about, you can't just walk and spread it. Let me find something. If you find something, right money here, by time that figure sell man, kill and take it. So let me conversation there. A ticklish conversation.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? I don't say no go so you know. But you cannot talk in conversation there. Because maybe I'll see a man where you sell. Him powerful like that. When make a man move, you can't call him name.
True.
You understand? I say, so they something to sell all about. You hear man say, I'm ready from town, I'm ready from Mobile, I'm ready from Mandem. You understand? I say, no one man can get it. The man down there will deal with him or something.
Yeah.
Come on, Rocky man alone can deal with him. Think about what I say to you.
Yeah.
So you have to be careful, you have to see what the argument when they tell you about people.
Yeah.
You understand? So, why your channel be a true channel, you know?
No,
so
we're not. No, we're not. It's no benefit for tell lie. That's how we speak the truth over here and them thing. The only thing them can't say we are labor, them can't say we are lie. So because we are talk the truth, we are talk what we see, you know. We not go with hearsay. We are talk what we see, heard, and experience growing up in Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
All right, my brother. Blessed love here.
All right, same to you, brother.
Yeah, cool. Yeah.
By, cheering as they did so. But this policewoman had a surprise for them. Knowing there was no chance to catch them on her own, she called her colleagues. After taking this beautiful family photo, they took them to a local field and, as punishment, made them pick up trash from the entire area. These people decided to pour water on a policewoman who was passing by, cheering as they did so. But this policewoman had a surprise.
Hey, officer, your keys are in the door.
I follow you on TikTok. I've already seen this. By the way, you don't have your seatbelt on, sir. If you'll pull right up there for me.
Oh, jeez. Hey, officer, you...
Do you sleep on beds? No, we sleep on trees. Yeah, and this one is my blanket. Okay.
Yeah, so we have come to the end of this conversation, having a discussion with this former policeman who is defending this drug dealer. and a violence producer. Yes, this man is he's labeled in Jamaica as a drug dealer and a violence producer, in which this man had contributed to the crime rate in Clarendon. At one point in time, the police there identify him as a person who's contributing to the murders in Clarendon, because he's politically connected. Eventually he was taken off the list, but he is known to the police in Clarendon. His name is Kevin Tillibaugh Roberts. He has many criminal police officers as his friends. Yes, man. I can't tell you. And he's always at a certain gas station in Maypen playing domino, maybe even right now, with some of his criminal police officers. And right now he has 4 men with illegal gun bodyguarding him. So that's how it is in Jamaica. Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Hope you enjoying the series. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out. And those of you at Patreon who have been sticking by us, thanks. But I can tell you, in the long run, you will be all rewarded. Yes, rewarded in such a way that I can't do Donald Trump. I'm not like a Donald Trump. That it's unbelievable, and you're gonna be rewarded bigly. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.